All right. We are live. Thank you everybody for joining. What's up to the crew? Lovely to have you in the building. Much love and respect to those who are hopping on right from the beginning. And this is going to be huge. This is an alpha stream. I'm here to give you the lowdown on BTC on the daily. We're of course going to zoom out to the weekly and the monthly. And then I'm going to give you my top picks for this second phase of the altcoin season. I want this crew to make bank. I want you to be bankrolling. I want you to be printing. I want you to be making money. And you know what? It's not even about my portfolio. I want this whole crew's portfolio to at least do a 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 10x in this bull market. It's all about relativity. You know, I'm not saying, okay, take your 10,000 to 1 million. I'm not saying take your $5 to $200. Whatever you have, we're going to take it to at least a 3x, 4x, 5x. There we go. We are fired up. Reaper God, Mr. Tuco in the building. Oh, from the Zoom last night. Beginners in the building. What's up? Mr. Jared from my high school, from my hometown. What's up, my brother? Lovely to see you and very excited for the live painting jam. Everybody check out Mr. Jared Jester's YouTube. He is an exceptional artist and an NFT god, if I do say so myself. Mr. Grazia. Ciao, Bella. Grazia. I'm saying Grazia and your name is Grazia. Welcome. All right, Mr. Mana, let's go. Jared's in the building. Mikey's here. Tebojo. Hey, Jess is in the building. All right, so just remember that today I'm going to try something different. If we hit 50 likes, I'm going to do a giveaway. So invite your aunties, your uncles, your friends, your brothers, your sisters, your mothers, your grandmothers. Let's do this. If we hit 50 likes on the stream, I'm going to do a giveaway. And you know what? Let's start with a little bit of a vocal warm-up, and I'm gonna try speed it up this time. I'm dropping flavor, my behavior is hereditary, but my technique is very necessary. Blame it on Ice Cube, cause they said it gets funky when you got a subject and a predicate added on a dope beat. Some suckers just tickle me straight to my stomach cause they don't flow like this one. You know what? I won't hesitate to diss one or two before I'm through. Some drop science, but I'm dropping English, even if yellow makes it a cappella. I still express, yo, I don't smoke weed or cess, cause it's known to give a brother brain damage, and brain damage on the mic don't manage nothing but making a sucker in you equal. Don't be another sequel, express yourself. Alright, thank you everybody for being here. Let's get it. Please confirm for me if you can hear the beat. How is the mix on the vocals? Can you still hear my voice? Can you still hear the beat? I want to keep it hot today. Let's push for that 50 live. Thank you so much everybody for joining. I see we're pushing for the 30 across the streams and there's no time to waste. Let's get right into the content. All sounds good. Let's go. It's early in the morning here and you're already flowing. Yeah, so I made one mistake. Usually I don't start streaming until I can flow through my freestyle without making a mistake. But you know what? We got no time to waste. So let's go. Everything is perfect. Awesome stuff. Just want to center my face here and let's cruise. Man's got bars. Let's go. Mr. Damien in the building. Welcome, my brother. So much love. All right, so I'm going to get straight into it. No time to waste. Let's do a little bit of daily analysis on Bitcoin. We've done it a few times throughout the different platforms. We've done it on Bybit English community. We've done it on Bybit South Africa community. We've even done it on my YouTube, and not too much has changed. It's not very confusing right now. But the beat's not too loud. Let me take them down a little bit so y'all can definitely hear me. Let me just make sure this is right. Loop playlist. Let's go. We're not getting caught out this time with playing random Metallica tracks. Alright, so BTC on the daily, very simple, and please keep the chat hot. Let me know if you're following, let me know if you have any questions. I am gonna go lightning speed today. We're gonna try get it all done and we'll see how long it takes. I have got serious alpha to get through. So yeah, very excited to get there, and please, if you've got alpha, get it ready because this is an alpha stream for top picks for this phase of the bull market. Alright, so things are very simple for BTC right now. Zoomed in on the daily time frame, we can see the upward sloping channel clear as day. We put the channel in as soon as we got this high, and it has been giving us the banger trades ever since. As you can see, from the bottom of the channel to the top, a beautiful 13% up on the scalp. And of course, Market Cipher B served us the hot dinner when it gave us this beautiful bearish divergence. And you know what? To be able to trade a retracement dump within a bull market, you can only be doing that with an OG indicator like Market Cipher B. And most of you will have seen that I dropped that signal in my community and we smashed it. We smashed 100% trade on 50x within about 17 hours. And this comes from extreme diligence within a strategy. It comes from backtesting a strategy on over 1,000 trades. And you know what? Over 50 years of experience has gone into this strategy. It was created by myself and two of my best mates. And between us, we have over 50 years of trading experience between us. All right, so if you do not have this upward sloping channel, 3-hour stream incoming. You know what, it just might be chi. It just might be, but I'm gonna try getting all the alpha quicker than that. Suhaib, welcome, welcome. If you are here, drop us a message in the chat. If you are here, smash the likes. As I said, we will be doing a giveaway at 50 likes, and let's make it imminent. Let's make it inevitable, right? I want to do this. And you know what? I'll talk about something else very exciting for this crew a little bit later. All right, getting back. Let's go. Jokester, welcome, welcome. All right, so if you don't have the upward sloping channel, please draw it in. We can see that it's, of course, giving us so many touch points that it, of course, is very, very relevant at this point. And we can see the fake out below where so many got liquidated. Right? You never FOMO into a short here below the channel. Even with the candle close, Trump tapped the first lady on the shoulder. Trump tapped Elon on the shoulder and said, hey, wifey, can you pump Bitcoin back above 100K? He said, all right, sure, my brother. And he just popped it back up over the 100K level. Look at that. One little God candle, one little tap from Elon, and we're back above 100K. Easy stuff. So right now, especially if you are a beginner, just remember that the whole world is finally looking at crypto. The whole world is trading. So if you're going to trade now, you actually need intense risk management. Of course, you always need risk management, but now you need to intensify it. Look at this fake out, right? Usually, if we get this candle below resistance, of course, we would have seen a dump. But no longer with Elon sitting as first lady right next to Trump. He is, of course, the richest man in the world, $400 billion in equity sitting at his fingertips. And you know, Trump's very proud of himself. He said, you're welcome, 100K, you're welcome, Bitcoiners. This was when he pumped it up. And just have a look at this doji. This is one of the largest long-legged dojis we have ever seen. That's 12% in Bitcoin up and down in one day, in one candle. And of course, all of the shorters got wrecked right here. All of the longers got wrecked right here. There was about $6 billion liquidated in the market in one day. You do not want to be some of those people, right? You should never be seeing a liquidation. Yes, you take stop losses, but you never should be seeing a liquidation. Is everyone with me? And of course, when we see God candles like this, we know that things are heating up. Look at this, just a candle body of 4.58% in one day. And now we're sitting pretty at almost $102,000. It looks like we may have finally claimed the 100K level. Remember that the largest levels on our charts will be the round numbers. These are what we call the mental levels, right? Everything in this market is based on human emotion. And of course, the round number of 100K, many said, oh, it's impossible we'll hit 100K this year. It's impossible we'll ever hit 100K. Bitcoin is a scam. And now they're hiding. Now the bears are hibernating in their caves. You know, some people saying, oh, I won't trade anymore unless we hit 30K this year. Now everybody's very quiet. Everybody's hiding in their caves. And as we can see, there it is, 100K smashed. Broken back down below. Elon smashes it again. Now we've tested it twice and we've actually had a little bit of a bounce. As you can see, according to the fixed range volume profile, We have a few more resistance levels to get through before we can actually continue price discovery onwards and upwards. So for the newbies in the chat, let me quickly show you how it is done, how we get these resistance levels. The most important thing for a newbie to learn first, I do believe, is of course the RSI, but everyone knows that, right? We come to the fixed range volume profile right here. FRVP, fixed range volume profile. Please, everyone, bring it up on your charts right now and let me know in the chat. Does everybody have the fixed range volume profile on their charts? It is the easiest indicator to use, and it makes you an OG instantly, just like that. All right, so let me show you how to drag it out. You just need to make sure that you include the whole range, right? From highs to lows of the range. Everybody sees this wick over here. Very simple. I'm not going to spend too long on this. You simply click once, you drag it all the way to the right. All right, Amana has it on the charts. Let's go. Ike is in the building. Welcome, welcome. Ciao, Bella. All right, we're getting it going. Market Cypher is the best indicator. Feels like you're cheating. Yeah, I keep saying it feels like Need for Speed 1, right? It's too easy these days. Alright, if you're in the chat, please do smash the likes. Where are we sitting currently? Alright, we're already getting there. We're already getting there to the 50 likes. Make sure you invite your whole family and all your friends to the stream. Get them to smash the likes so we can do a giveaway. But as you can see, let me zoom in for the newbies. As you can see, this is what the fixed range profile gives you. And for those of you who are advanced here, don't stress. We're going to do some very advanced stuff shortly. But do you see these spikes? Right? Can you see how I have taken horizontal lines from the spikes? So let me do it again just to show you how it's done. And you can draw it in just like I'm drawing it in now so that you actually see where the spikes are. And this is what we need to be realistic about, right? This is an overhang. Here is your climber. He's climbing. Right? He's climbing, he's getting there, but he's looking down and he's thinking, oh my god, if I fall here, there's a big fall all the way down to 76k. And there is the CME gap right in the middle here, which is gravity pulling him down. There's the POC lower, and I'm actually going to show you each one of these things today. But as you can see, you simply draw out on the fixed range volume profile your little spikes. Then you take horizontal lines and you just pop them in right at the highest points of volume on the fixed range volume profile. Of course you have your 100k because it's your round number. But then you just pop in the spikes on the volume profile. Let me know if you can hear the tunes. Let me know if they're too loud. Alright, now what you will see is, of course, if you've been doing this a million times, it's not surprising, but it's almost like magic, right? We've pulled out the horizontal lines, and lo and behold, they are the exact support and resistance lines for Bitcoin. They are the exact levels. Is everybody seeing that? They are to the dollar, the significant levels for Bitcoin. So if you are not using fixed range volume profile, I call it walking blind. You're going to walk into walls. You're going to fall off cliffs. Are y'all with me? The tunes are perfect. TB in the building. Not too loud. Let's go. We'll be going to Neptune. Oh, no longer Mars. No longer the moon. We're going to Neptune. Oh, ciao, ciao. Grazie mille for joining. I need to learn some new Italian words. Aiko, what's my next Italian word? Drop it for me. Drop it for me. I know. Pronto, pronto. Alright, let's go, let's go. Okay, so after fixed range volume profile, of course, you want to start learning some OG strategies. So before we get into Market Cypher B, following, let's go. I want to just do a little bit of due diligence here, right? Okay, so daily time frame. For those of you who don't understand what the CME gap is, let me quickly show you. So here you can see that I've pulled out this green section, and this green section is literally a magnet pulling us down. Oh, my drawing is not on form today, but this is a magnet pulling us down to 80k. And let me just show you. All right, so the Chicago Mercantile Exchange is basically the first stock exchange that ever listed Bitcoin. Right, most of the OGs will know this, and they only trade during the week. So right now you can see that the chart is actually closed. So here you can see it like it stopped last night. Right, we should actually be creating a candle here, but we're not. Right, it stopped last night, and you can clearly see that there's a gap here in the chart, and this is known as the CME gap. And if we go back in time, these gaps are always filled. Do you see here how a gap was created? What did price do? It went up and it came back to fill the gap. Gaps like to be filled. Let's just go a little bit further down. I mean, this one was obvious and uncanny. We can see the gap, right? The gap was created right here. The gap was filled right here, and it was actually an order block. Is everyone seeing this? Yes, I've learned smart money concepts. I've done my research, and we can see the order block being filled, and absolute parabolic breakout from the gap. All right, let's go find another gap. And it happens even in the opposite direction. Do y'all see this? Right, here's a gap. I mean, it's like, if you've been doing this for a while, look how quickly sometimes the gaps get filled. So we absolutely cannot sleep on this. Look at this one. Gap created, gap filled. And let me tell you, and look at this, it actually took some time for this one. This is the kind of thing we're seeing now. Gap created, gap filled. So the only reason that this gap right here has not been filled yet is literally Elon Musk, Donald Trump pumping the charts, and very likely at some point we're gonna see this gap. So let me just get this exactly right on my charts. Yeah, it's pretty much right. Around the middle of the gap is around 79, top at 81, bottom at 77. All right, top at 81, bottom at 77. That's it, y'all. That is the CME gap, and you've now seen on the charts how uncanny it is. All right, so it's not really the same as fair value gap, right? So let me explain. Eve, you are on it, you're learning things, but it's not the same, right? So the fair value gap right now is even bigger. So for those of you who don't know, FVG means fair value gap, and it is according to the fixed range volume profile, which I just showed you how to draw in. And the fixed range volume profile doesn't only give us our OG horizontal levels, but it also gives us, right, our value area high of the range. We're almost hitting 50 live. So are we hitting 50 likes yet? 17, let's go. If we hit 50 likes, we'll do a giveaway. And make sure you are under my link. If you are under my link, you will be eligible for the giveaway. We're about to hit 50 live across the platforms. And let me just say, if you are watching on Twitter, come and watch with us on YouTube. Come and watch with us on YouTube. Smash the likes for us. You know what? X, let's just boycott. Just kidding. All right, thank you everybody for being here. We're doing very well for time. All right, so value area high of the range, and you can of course see that I have drawn in the value area low of the range because it is a very important level for us. And basically for the newbies, from this blue line here all the way up to the top of our fixed range volume profile is your value area high of the range. If you are a newbie, I know this can get confusing. Don't stress, we're gonna repeat it. Repetition is your friend. Watch it after the stream, watch the replay. And I am busy with a strategy tutorial where I will be laying this all out step by step in chapters that you can replay everything as many times as you want, slow it down, use the captions, etc. All right, so right here from this blue line down to the bottom of our fixed range volume profile, we have Valerie. Treat her with respect and she will return the kindness. All right, use funny things to help you remember, right? All right, Jared is enjoying. Lovely to hear. Eve, which giveaway is this? We haven't done a giveaway yet. All right, so let me finish this. let me finish the teaching on the FVG, because it is actually what I was going to talk about next. I don't usually call it the fair value gap, but that is technically what it's called. All right, so here we have the top, which is the value area high, which is where you look for your shorts. So just take note that this whole area here is nowhere to belonging, y'all. Nowhere to belonging, right? Ronnie, what's up, my brother? I'm gonna get to you right after the stream. I know we have business in DMs. I'm gonna get to you right after the stream, my brother. And thank you so much for joining. All right, no, it's incoming, Mr. Jared. It's incoming. And everybody knows, Jared is my current case study. I am taking Jared from $1,000, a little bit of his NFT portfolio. He's made money selling NFTs. We're gonna take him from $1,000 to $1 million. So everybody welcome him to the community. And Jared, just let me know, were you able to retain any information from our 2-hour in-person session? Have you been able to practice on demo? Have you been able to practice the strategy? I know I bombarded you with so much info in that one session. And yeah, this entire area is a short area. We are all overpumped, right? This whole market is overpumped. So yeah, if you're not aware of everything that's happening now, just come to my Twitter and you will find my keep calm tweet. Right, every time we get a retracement, I get a lot of people freaking out. And this is the one that you should read, y'all. Everybody keep calm. Right? Remember, we were at 50K on Bitcoin a few weeks ago. Pullbacks are healthy for bullish market structure. The entire crypto market is heavily overpumped at the moment on Trump's victory and pro-crypto stance. We are on the brink of a world war breaking out at any time. We're on the brink of a possible black swan event. We should not be aping into longs. Never mind the fact that we are in the value area high of the range. Oh, there's JD's little face coming through. Someone invite him to the chat. We need him here. We have the CME gap below us. We also have the POC, which I'm going to talk about now. The space between us and the POC is the fair value gap. The fair value gap is currently all the way down to 71K. DCA is your best friend. All right, so who's in the chat? Who knows what DCA is? Let's go. Let's keep it hot. We are still above the support of the daily channel, so no reason to get super bearish yet. The real level to look for juicy entries on BTC is around 55K at the value area low of the range. Be greedy, right? When others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy. And what are we in now? We're in extreme greed. So if you're seeing profits, take your profits. I'm not saying get out of your positions. Of course, have diamond hands, right? Paper hands get burnt. Diamond hands are few and far between, and the diamond hands are the ones who will roll in the profits. But of course, to outperform, you need to take profits. We're in extreme greed. Dollar cost averaging. Let's go. Zoom class last night. Well done, Eve. You're killing it. All right, so there we go. There is my keep calm mic drop. And please, everybody do join my trading academy if you are here. We have some crazy airdrops for new users at the moment. Crazy airdrops. I will actually quickly drop the links in the chat. Give me one moment. So if you are new here and you haven't signed up an account under me yet, don't stress if you're an OG. But if you are new, then just follow these links right here. This is going to be a long comment. One second. All right, so just let me know if you are able to click those links in the comments. And remember, this is only for brand new users and you can only enter one, so just do your own research. Do you want Catty? Do you want Sundog? Do you want NavX? Do you want Nairo? If you don't have a Bybit account, this is a very lucky time to be signing up, because this is the most generous campaign that Bybit has yet offered. Oh, this is the banger track. Let's go. Oh, the freestyle. The freestyle wants to flow. Alright, this is a banger. Okay, so have a look here, right? Do you see this white line here? So this line will automatically pop up when you drop in the fixed range volume profile. Can you still hear me with this banger beat behind me? Yeah, indeed. So we just have to be careful here. Like, there could be a massive long squeeze. There could be a massive shakeout incoming. 75% profit. Very nice. Already joined. Beautiful. See me gap at 80k. Next up is 200. So I'm going to give the bullish scenario because, of course, there's always two scenarios and we don't try to predict the market. We have no crystal ball here, right? We take the information as it comes and we act accordingly. Yeah, this is a banger. Should I freestyle? Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure it's royalty free, but thank you, Mikey. Let's just double check. No copyright. YouTube, no copyright. Let's go. Alright, so I don't want to spend too long on this. I've got so much alpha to get into and we're still right at the beginning of what I want to talk about. Plan the trade, trade the plan. That's my brother. Alright, let's go. Alright, so when you drop in your fixed range volume profile, you will see, of course, we draw it in like this, right? But what you will see is that the largest spike, it is literally a Burj Khalifa. For those of you who have been lucky enough as me to go to Dubai, you will know that the Burj Khalifa literally makes you feel sick when you're standing underneath it because you think it's going to fall on top of you. It's the tallest thing you could ever imagine. And this is what we are getting right here. You can actually watch the Burj Khalifa sway like this. It's like, I'm like, why do you need to build a building that big? And you know what? They're actually planning one now next to it that's going to be taller. It's crazy stuff. But you can see that this is the highest volume, right? So it's the most volume traded in this entire range. And that basically is known as the point of control. And Habibi Yalla. Let's go, Elena. Welcome, welcome. Is anyone here from Dubai? Give me a shout out if you're watching from Dubai. We got the Burj Khalifa POC right here. And like usually you'll see a POC pretty big, but I mean, it basically shows us that the volume that has been traded here is about 10, at least 5 times the volume traded of where we currently are, which is telling us that it is a gigantic magnet for price. And just so that we're clear, this is the point of control. The POC is the point of control. And basically, it is not a point to open trades, right? That's what newbies get wrong. Point of control does not mean you open trades there. Point of control means you watch that level to see if it is held or lost. So let me be very clear. This is where you open a short. Right? This is where you open a short. This is where you open a short. This is where you open a short. This is where you open a long. Yes, our value area has pulled out, but at the time, these were all above value area high. These were all below value area low. You do not trade in this zone. So everybody listen up. This is a no trading zone. That is a drink margaritas on the beach zone, right? Oh, let's go. Loving the music. Damn, this is a tune right here. Okay, let me clean this up. But basically, you only entertain trades above. And as I say, this is pulled out slightly. It was about there. And I'll do a little bit of a market cipher B strategy catch up. But basically, the fair value gap is this gap here, right? Between our current price and the POC, which is acting as the magnet. And here you can see, right? We took the short trade. Market cipher B gave us the bearish divergence in the strategy. We took the short trade and we watched to see if the POC was held or lost. And as you can see, the POC was retested all the way down to the bottom. And of course, on the retest of the volume, we added to our trade. All right, next one here, we see that was the trade. We took the trade And the POC was not lost. Does everyone see that? So we took major profits because we didn't lose the POC. And then here on the 1, 2, triple bearish divergence, we finally got our banger, 32% trade to the downside. And this is where we lost the POC. This is where we tested the POC. Is everyone with me? You do not enter at the POC because the POC is your fair value. Right? And we're traders. We do not buy Bitcoin at the fair value. We do not sell Bitcoin at the fair value. If you buy or sell at the POC, yes, DCA, but I'm talking about longing or shorting, right? If you long or short at the POC, you are dropping your money into a one-arm bandit casino machine and you're literally gambling. You do not know which way it's going to go from this level, right? We open our trades here and here and here, but only when the signals come, right? And let me show you how baller this indicator is. All right, let me know in the chat, do you want a quick fire market cipher B update on how to use the OG strategy, my OG strategy, which I now feel like we've pretty much perfected? Or should we get straight into the alpha, and do you want to rather wait for my video tutorial? Alright, so very nice question, Zimbag. So you don't need a TradingView Pro, you just need this TradingView Essential, right? And my referral link in my YouTube bio will actually get you quite a big discount on this Essential plan, which I must say is very affordable. You get 5 indicators, you get all of these alerts. Look at this. It's more than enough. But let me show you a little secret right now. So here is my copy trading portfolio on Bybit. And let me show you a little secret. So if you can't afford TradingView, it's amazing. But right here, it is actually free on Bybit. Absolutely free on Bybit, right? Alright, alright. Ronish said yes. Jared says yes. Oh, Husseini in the building. What's up, my G? How does the copy trading work out? Oh, how does it work? Okay, I'll show you how it works. What should we expect in the CME gap? Yeah, like we might never hit it. We might make history. Like basically 90% of CME gaps are filled. So there is a 10% chance that Elon will keep pumping it and we won't hit the CME gap. Alright, I'm gonna give a quick recap. Here because I'm seeing more yeses than nos. And don't stress, we are gonna get into the alpha. Alright, let's go. 50 likes and we do a giveaway. How far are we? 22! We're almost halfway there, right? 50 likes and we do a giveaway. So smash it, y'all. Smash the like button. Get your family and friends to smash it. Alright, I'll do a little update on the copy trading shortly. As we can see, we are absolutely killing it. Look at this, 100% win rate. We have a win rate, 49 trades won. The last 49 trades won. Absolutely 0 losses. Followers rolling. I'm rolling. Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to give a tiny tutorial here. And Jared, I want you to listen very, very closely because this is for those who want to make money, right? This is for those who are trading money. They want to make money. Ronish, I'm looking at you. Zimbag, Reaper, Chi, Mikey. Oh, Joe Dyer, welcome. Lovely to have you. We're doing very well, y'all. We're doing very well. Let's see if we can smash that 50. I know it's a big goal, but that's why I've made it the goal. And we've just smashed 50 across the platforms live. So if you are watching on Twitter, on X, please come over to YouTube. YouTube is the more fun time. Yeah, Ronish, bro, I want to see you rolling in that $10,000 portfolio, my brother. I want to see it. I know you were very close. So let me just be very honest here. Ronish was doing extremely well, right? Ronish went from, I must say, it was about $2,000 in deposits. He was rolling in about, I don't know exactly, but $8,000 to $10,000. And then he was liquidated. His entire portfolio was liquidated, right? And it was just a lack of risk management. There was no stop loss on one trade on portfolio margin, which managed to liquidate his entire portfolio. And it has been a huge, huge stress for him to be able to gather money and confidence, you know, to actually work in other industries, to find the confidence to come back to trading. And I just want to say, please do not let that happen. Let's let Mr. John Carter's actual loss and mistake help us all to learn. You know, if you watch my last video with Crypto, one of the things he said was, it's okay if you make a mistake. It's no problem, but just don't do it twice, right? The definition of insanity is doing the same thing twice and expecting a different result. And Ranish, I must just say, I'm so proud of you, brother. I'm so proud of you. And you know what? It's fine. It's fine. You're gonna only be so much better now that you've paid your school fees, is what we call it. And I mean, look at this attitude, right? He lost everything. He lost his entire portfolio. And here he is back again, learning again. So everybody show him the love, because it was serious kind of depression stuff. Serious. Oh, Mr. Andy. Hey, what's up, my G? Lovely to see you, Andy. Let me know how it's going, and let me know if you want to take a walk on the beach later. I miss you, brother. Where's Blaze? What's happening with Blaze? Is he too busy these days with 4 a.m.? Yeah, no, it's all good. Ranish has dealt with it and he's back. It was a scary time indeed. It was a scary time. Yeah, it was about 10k to nothing. Absolutely crazy. Like crazy. Absolutely crazy. And don't let it happen to you, right? Okay, smash the likes and share the stream. Let's go. Okay, so I want everybody to concentrate now. If there's one part of this stream which is the most important, it is right now. All right, number one, for this strategy, you need to learn how to pull out your fixed range volume profile. I already showed you at the beginning of the stream, but I'm going to do it again. You simply need to find what we call the micro range. And this does take time, but I'm showing you right here where the micro range is now. And it's not going to change until we really break up above about 110, 115K. This is the range for now. So follow along with me in this song. What is going on with this song? Okay, it's still royalty free, so we're good. Happy vibes, y'all. Okay, so this is where you pull it out from currently, right? 49K, 46K, all the way on the left, around January 2024. And you pull it all the way up above and to the right of price. So everybody's seeing that. This is the first thing you need to know how to do. Because we will only take shorts in this area. We will only take longs in this area. So unless you have this, you actually cannot use my strategy with complete confluence. You will probably most likely make money, but you can't use it with complete confluence. Too busy. No, same with me, brother. I haven't been able to put out a video in like a week now or something because it's just crazy on the affiliate side. Andy in the building. And everybody take it from Ranish, right? Take it from Ranish, who's seen the $10,000 loss in an instant. And of course, it was a dodgy way to trade on portfolio margin mode. So I'll talk about UTA if we have time. 25K on gold. Eleanor, oh my gosh, that's massive. That is absolutely massive. So you are obviously over leveraging on your pips. And you know what? Leave gold. Come to Bitcoin. Come to digital gold. Leave gold behind. We are going to smash the market cap of gold, I bet you. We need a TikTok video. Alright, so if you are not following me yet on TikTok, please come through. Let me quickly show my profile. We are finally finding virality. Okay, Okay, I have to make sure I'm not a bot. Let's go. I'm not a bot. I gotta match up the dog. I sometimes don't get it right. There we go. Have a look at this video, y'all. 117,000 views. We are killing it. So I must just say huge shout out to my crew. Thank you for always supporting me, for being there for me. Literally from day one, 5 views on my video. Now we're getting 120,000 views, 6,000 likes. So thank you everybody for being there with me through the thick and the thin. I do appreciate this community. All right, so number 1, fixed range volume profile. The next thing is, of course, to bring up your market cipher B indicator. All right, so you pull up. All you have to type into indicators is MCB. It is so simple. Caps lock, MCB. Oh, it looks like they've changed it. Oh, sorry. All you have to do, sorry, it's VMC. I call it MCB, but it's VMC. Right? So type VMC. You will see it's this one with way more likes. When you see an indicator with likes, it means people are making money. Right? People are making money off this. They're making dollar. They're printing. 18, almost 19,000 people are now using this indicator, including myself. And you know what? This is actually a very expensive indicator. This is the free version that has been made out of the goodness of CryptoFace's heart. CryptoFace is the most profitable Bitcoin trader of all time. He trades up to $50 million in one trade. Hey, Mr. Blaze, let's go. What's up, my G? So we have a 1 second time frame scalper in the building. So Blaze, if you have any 1 second time frame trades, or 5 second, let me know. I'll open some complete degen plays, my brother, just because you're here and I love you so much. All right, so let me finish the market cipher B tutorial. Give me 1 second. Okay, so right now in the chat, I want to see first, has everybody got their Fu Manchu market cipher B on their charts? Let me just give a moment for everybody to get this indicator on the charts. This is really the most important thing I want to teach, right? This is the strategy that I use to make bank. We've got 100% win rate over 50 trades. And the back test we did, Trader Giants did a back test of 1,000 trades. And he won about 900 of them. Right? That's a 90% win rate over 1,000 trades. Amana's got it. Alright. Jared's got it. Mikey's got it. Amana's got it. Alright, no stress. Get yourself a laptop if you can. Of course you can trade on mobile. But please get yourself a laptop if you can. Blaze in the chat. OG Scalper in the building. What's up, my bro? I know you're super busy. Thank you for joining. All right, let's see where these likes are. We're halfway to our giveaway. Come on, y'all. We can do it. 50 likes and I smash a giveaway. All right, no time to waste. We are moving. Please, everybody. I always see people hop off the live at this time. Right? People just want signals. Teach a man to fish. Right? Give a man a fish and he'll eat for 1 day. He will feed his family for 1 day. Teach a man to fish and he will eat and feed his family for the rest of his life. Or her. You know what I'm saying? Let's get biblical up in here. Tubojo's got it. I got you. Come scalp Sui. Dope, bro. So let's do a degen play just to show the peeps what's up. We'll have some fun. I've got a little bit of Bybit bonus. Let's have some fun. We'll do it a little bit later. Well said, OG. Let's go. That is a true statement indeed. I always see people hopping off when I'm getting to the hard work. It's like people are so lazy in the crypto industry, right? They want to make money overnight. That's not how it's done, y'all. All right, so I believe we've all got our Fu Manchu open. And let me quickly show you the settings. I'm gonna take my time. So For those of you who already have it, just be a little bit patient, but just come to the indicator, click on any of the dots, literally click on a dot, and then right click and come to settings. I want fish and I want to be taught how to fish. Let's start fishing, let's go. Fu Manchu has the best kung fu. Mr. Warren, welcome brother. I can't believe I didn't see you, bro. I was literally in Sagefield and I didn't see you. But I want you, Warren, I want you to hook up with Jester, right? So Jared lives in Jeffreys Bay and he is like one of the coolest people I've ever met. So Warren, take your bike, give a ride up to J Bay and say what's up to Jester because he's such a legend and a lovely man. Okay, so everybody follow. We need to have the wave trend. We need to have the buy dots and the sell dots, but I want you to take out the gold dots. Right? The gold dots show you indecision in the market, but they actually do confuse me a little bit because I struggle with color. And like, you know, the gold to me sometimes looks like green. And then maybe I long it like a green and it's not actually a long. So take out the gold. I want you to take out the fast wave trend. Drop a following if you're following. Yeah, the SA crew is growing, my brother. We've been working at it now for what? Almost 5 years. And finally the SA crew is really pumping. And look at that beautiful that face. Andy, I love your profile picture, dude. Makes me smile so much my cheeks hurt. Alright, following. Oh, Jared, I can't wait to come back, bro. I can't wait to come back, man. I had the best time ever, and I'm gonna be dropping a TikTok soon about me riding e-bikes on the beach in J-Bay, and I'm actually giving like a stream of consciousness. Yeah, we'll chat about it. Alright, so do not change any of the settings. If you have changed the inputs, then come right now and change them back. Do not think that you can do better than CryptoFace. As I said, he's the most profitable trader in history in crypto. Alright, I do not have the VMC. How do I get it? So it's absolutely free. Even if you don't have TradingView Essential or anything, you just type VMC into the indicator. So you come to the top and you find indicators, then you type VMC, and here you will see it, Fu Manchu Market Cipher B with divergences. Oh, the beats are back on form, let's go. Alright, so back to the settings. I want you to keep all of the inputs the same because it's CryptoFace's OG inputs. Oh, we're gonna push the 60 live, let's go. If you're watching on Twitter, please join us on YouTube. There we go, from the OG scalper himself. CryptoFace is the G, the man has finally seen the light with trading ETH. Oh wow, crazy, he's trading ETH. And you know why he's trading ETH? Because ETH is extremely undervalued. Let me be very honest. Ethereum can go to $15,000 like this. Ethereum can hit $15,000, not even in this cycle, in the next 3 months. May the parabolic run be with us. What's up, Ricardo? What? Look at your Pepe pick. I'm loving it. Cause the gains. Okay, let's get into it. Awesome, bro. I'll hook up with him on Telegram. Still in my leg cast. Oh, sorry, brother. I know you're injured. But you know what? Jared has an Amarok. So maybe he'll come visit you. And he's actually in Cape Town now. So he'll be traveling back up through Sagefield. Like, can you guys just hook up for a coffee or something? Because you're both legends. No, it's not possible on Bybit. It is not possible on Bybit because it's a private indicator that has been made free. Alright, I'm loving the crew. Where we at with the likes? Oh, we're at 29. Only 21 more likes, y'all, and we do a giveaway. Okay, so keep the settings the same. I want you to show the wave trend regular divergences. This is the most important thing. This is the signal. Wave trend regular divergences must be ticked. Take out the hidden divergences because that has a less of a high win rate. They're still cool, but that's for scalping. Right now, I'm teaching like a daily high win rate strategy, right? Alright, and I don't want you to apply the limits. So keep in the not apply. Keep this all the same. Keep the second wave trend regular. And I want you to keep MFI, right? MFI is not part of our current strategy. But it's actually what crypto face looks at first when it comes to the charts, because it doesn't show you dumb money, it doesn't show you smart money, it literally just shows you money flow. Is the money flowing in? Is the money flowing out? And I'm gonna do more teaching on that, but I first need everybody to get down like a clown in a nightgown with the wave trend regular divergence strategy, which I'm gonna show you now. Alright, then I want you to take out the RSI. Take out all of these. Is everybody following? Take out the stock. Make sure you use logarithmic, very important. And I know this seems complicated, but you only have to do this once. Take out the SOMI, take out this, all of this, take out the MACD, put it on dark mode because we're vampires here. We buy the blood. And that's it. That's it. Is everybody ready? Yeah. I've got rhyming in my blood, y'all. When I hear beats like this, I just want to smash some rhymes. Okay, so now what I want you to do is just pull this thing up big. Pull this market cipher B big, and now you should be seeing the same thing as me. You should be seeing the wave trend, which is this blue trend here, right? You should be seeing your divergences and your dots, very important. And you should also be seeing your money flow, right? And it really does look like the pie is coming to an end. Let me just show you money flow quickly for those of you who are unaware, right? We see money flow as a garage pie. For those of you who are South Africans, right? An engine at 2 a.m., that greasy pie when you're so disgusted with yourself after coming back from the club and you buy yourself a trend gen pie. And we split the pie into 3 portions. And at the third portion, right, is usually where money flow starts to dip. And just have a look here. If you started to enter short right there where money flow started to dip, it was literally where everything came crashing down, right? Yeah, Jared, you get me, bro. When you're so disgusted with yourself. When you're like, how did I have that many margaritas, that many tequilas? I'm disgusted. And then you go have a pie at the train chain. I think only South Africans will get me here. Okay, we're pushing 60 across the platforms. If you are here, please smash the likes. I want to do a giveaway. But y'all got to give me something too, right? Giveaway at 50 likes. And of course, sign up under my link. You will not be able to claim the giveaway unless you are under my link. Oh, and the Steri Stumpy, my bro. Yo. I know you love those Steri Stumpies. Hey, WACO in the building. So everybody thank WACO for doing my thumbnail out of the goodness of his heart. This thumbnail is crypto banter quality, and it is done by Maniacal Fallout. Gotta have that Steri. Blaze, I know you would get on with Jared so well, my bro. Alright, good cue. What's the cue? Oh, how to get it. Simples, y'all, simples. You click indicators. And then you come to VMC. Fu Manchu Cypher B with divergences. But all good. If you haven't got it by this point, just come watch the stream again. Okay, then bring this thing to the top. Is everybody with me right now? Is everybody following? No, thank you, my G. And don't stress, we're going to sort out those compliance issues very, very soon. The EU is currently needing a new license from Bybit, but it is in the making, y'all. Give it another 15 to 30 days and I'm sure it will be acquired. Ben will stop at nothing to get that license, y'all. So we are currently not marketing to the EU, but all good, just backtest, right? Backtest on TradingView until you can trade again. Oh, the scalp is blown. You see, I should have listened in the moment. But this stream is for the newbies. So I'm taking it slow. All right, so the only thing you really need to look at now, money flow is for the OGs to understand. But right now, you just need to understand these wave trends. And the main thing is to understand these lines. So for the new people who are here, Reaper OG, Jared, for those of you who are starting out, oh, we're gonna smash 65 across the platforms. Let's go. The likes are in 35. We're gonna hit 50, y'all. We're gonna do the giveaway, so please smash the likes, smash the likes. Okay, so the next step in the strategy is to obviously do your settings, right? So number one is fixed range volume profile. Number two is to make sure your settings are the same as mine. Number three is to set your alerts. Try to make notes on this, but I am doing the tutorial. Let me make a promise. I will have this tutorial done. It's not just short form, it's a short form and a long form, which means it will be a 1 minute video, 1 to 3 minute video, and it will also be a 20 to 30 minute video. Oh, we're almost smashing 70. If you're on Twitter, come to YouTube, y'all. YouTube is where it's at. Subscribe on YouTube. I'm Jordan Crypt. That's where it's at. Let me change the chart to a monthly. Oh my gosh. No, it's all good, bro. Let us hit a scalp, but give me another half an hour or so. The likes are absolutely pumping, y'all. Thank you, everybody. And if you're new to the stream, please sign up under my link in the description so that you will be eligible for the giveaway that we're going to do when we hit 50. All right. So here we come. Right click on the dots. So just come with your cursor, your cross, come to the dots and right click, right? Once you've right clicked, come to add alert. And then very important, and feel free to watch this back. This is a tutorial you can obviously watch back as many times as you want. All right, so we want to set the alert on the buy with the big green circle plus the div. So get this into your head. The only reason we have 100% win rate here is because we have the big green circle and the div. All right, beautiful question there. Ranish, beautiful question. So I want you to only use this strategy on the 1 day time frame currently. Right, I do have a strategy for it on the 4 hour. I do have a strategy for it on the 5 minute, but it requires tweaking the settings. It requires tweaking the way you enter and the way you exit. I first want you to figure it out on the daily. Don't touch any other time frame. Don't touch the weekly. Don't touch the 4 hour, please. Right, I want you to all make money on the daily first. And trust me, there are more than enough trades to be had. Yeah, so no VWAP for now. No VWAP for now in this strategy. I know you are advanced, my brother, but this is keeping it simple for the newbies. Mr. Dwayne! Oh, another SAG in the crew. Okay, so let me just put it straight for you here. Dwayne is one of my great friends, one of my true homies. We've been through some epic times together, and I've been helping him with his portfolio. And we started, Dwayne, when did we start, bro? We started about a year ago, right? And Dwayne had no crypto. So I said, bro, buy some XRP, buy some Cardano. On Luno, he bought about 100,000 Rand. In DCA, every month he would buy some. He's now sitting in 150,000 Rand plus profit. Right? That's a 1.5x already. Same thing on Bybit, 1.5x on his DCA bots. And this just shows, like, listen to the OGs, right? When you know that you're doing something wrong, don't do it. You will always have the gut feeling when you're listening, when you're doing something right or when you're doing something wrong. Coming from Twitter, beautiful Lionium. So everybody who's on Twitter right now, please come to the YouTube. I see we are 75 across the channels, but come to the YouTube. All right, so Lionium is an OG and he's making cash. So Lionium, come into my Discord, right? Everybody who wants to drop me a chart, come into my Discord. The link is in my bio. And in the Discord, in the live stream charts channel, drop me your charts so I can share your alpha with the crew. All right, let's go. Oh my gosh, we are definitely smashing all-time highs for live viewers. Thank you so much everybody for being here. This is crazy. We are imminent for the giveaway. Yeah, this is definitely the most we've had live on YouTube at one time. And I still see a lot. I see way more on Twitter. So please come from Twitter to YouTube, y'all. And we're doing a giveaway at 50 likes. So it's that easy. Will Smith the like button. All right, and if you're hopping on now, make sure you're under my link so that you can get the giveaway. You have to be under my link. And then also, if you're new to my community, make sure you sign up an account using these links right here. So right here, you can literally get free money, y'all. Free money. So just scroll up in the chat. Literally free Sundog, free Catty, free Navix. Like literally, if you're new, this is your lucky day, y'all. Okay, let's finish off with this strategy tutorial and let's go straight into the alpha. I see the crew is absolutely banging it. All right, so the third part of our strategy is to set your alerts on the buy, and then this is where you long BTC, baby, and you make sure that you pull out the expiry as far as you possibly can, and that's it. You set the alert and then you're ready to smash. Right, you create the alerts. I'm not going to create mine because I already have it. I'll show you. I already have it set. And then of course what you do after you've done that is you come to the sell. The sell with the big red circle plus the div. I think what's happening right now is YouTube is putting us out into their feed, which is just awesome. Thank you, YouTube. Shout out to you. Everybody boycott Twitter. Come to YouTube. Come to YouTube. Elon, don't ban me from Twitter. All right, then the next one, you do the same thing. You rinse and repeat with the sell with the big red circle and the div, right? And if you have a look here, you will clearly see that I have my alert set. Where is it? All right, that is where we short. That is the bearish divergence. And this is the OG signal. My guys, my girls, this is how you make money, right? All right, so that's the short. Where's the long on Bitcoin? BTC long bull div. You see that? I have both. And then the reason I say there's no shortage of trades is you literally go and you set these same exact alerts on the altcoins. XRP, Ethereum, ADA, XLM, SUI, all right, Atom, Near, Render, Ape, Avalanche, ENA, Immutable. Okay, Jasmy is one of my biggest plays. Jasmy is one of my biggest plays. CRV, AERO, TRX, SUI. All right, so let's see who was listening in the last stream. Why am I so bullish on Jasmy? In the comments right now, why am I so bullish on Jasmy for this super cycle? Beat is too loud. Thank you, Chi. Beat is too loud. Oh, was that long ago? Yeah, that was long ago. Yeah, the live is pumping, right? YouTube is literally putting us out right now. This is what's up. All right, only 11 more likes to the giveaway, y'all. Because of their cancer research. Mikey, I am so impressed, brother. And right now, you know what we're gonna do? I don't care if we lose viewers for this, right? We're gonna do a moment of silence for everybody who has lost anyone to cancer. Right now, moment of silence. Let's do it. All right. Thank you, everybody. Let's go. Indeed, WACO, you're killing it, my brother. It's all your thumbnail, my G. It's all your thumbnail. All right, let me know how the beats are sounding. Okay, we're moving, y'all. We're moving, y'all. The moment of silence was deep. We're not afraid to get deep. Change to long on Sui. Interesting. Yeah, so be careful with this crew, right? Blaze, this crew is newbies. So we're first teaching them the chilled ways. ADA, FA, okay, we'll get into it. Moment of silence since someone sent me a message. Yeah, we're sending a message to the Lord, sending a message to the universe. And we're just giving gratitude, right? Every day is gratitude. Every day that we're alive is a blessing, y'all. Can end at any time. Alright, so once you receive your alert, and you'll see right here, so this was the last alert that I got. Right, it was directly from that signal. I got the alert to short Bitcoin. I dropped the signal in my community. I said, Market Cipher B has printed a double bearish divergence on the daily time frame. I said I have entered on a 50x. And let's have a look what happened. It was gorgeous. Of course it was gorgeous. Right, so this is where it printed. It was actually somewhere in this candle here. And look at the continuation, right? Look at the dump that occurred. And we managed to continue our 100% win rate. And of course, this is trading against the bullish trend. And you need an indicator as badass as Market Cipher B to be able to smash this. Okay, so now I'm going to finish off the strategy and then we're going to go into some serious fundamental analysis on the alpha, because I have about 15 plus copy trades I will be opening in the next few days. Buy it live. Love it, my brother. Alright, so it is now the 14th. So in 2 days, my copy trading account will be upgraded to a unified trading margin account where I will be able to keep my positions and open new trades. Yeah, keep smashing the likes, y'all. What a banger tune. Jan Blomqvist. Is this the artist? I hope this is still... Oh no, damn, this is not royalty free anymore. How long has this been playing? 14 minutes. Oh no, I hope we don't get restricted. Alright, anyway, give me a moment to get back to my playlist. I was sure I looped that free playlist. Oh my gosh. It's happened again. It's like it only loops once or something. But anyway, give me a few moments. Give me a few moments. Royalty free. There we go. Can I not? Anyway, now we've got about another hour. Just remind me after the hour. I hope YouTube doesn't restrict us. They didn't restrict us for the Metallica, which was crazy. Look at that. We're pushing for the 50 live on YouTube. We've got 80 live across the platforms. Something is happening. Let's go. WACO, bro. You did something with this thumbnail, my G. Alright, so if you're new to my streams, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Set the notifications. And yeah, the copy trading, I'm going to open 15 new trades in the next 2 days. So if you're new to my copy trading, this is it. And yeah, I'm Jordan Crypt on Bybit Copy Trading. Come and follow me. We're killing it. Alright. VManchu has contributed a lot to my trend trading strategy. Thanks, Mental, forever grateful. My brother! Every time someone listens and uses VManchu Market Cipher B and profits, my heart grows just a little bit bigger. ROI is amazing. Yo, killing it, y'all. 50 likes soon. Alright, so I'm gonna drop it one more time. Giveaway at 50 likes. What are we at? We're still sitting at 39 likes with 48 current viewers. Why? Right now, if you're watching like it, doesn't mean you're not enjoying the stream. What's going on? Okay, so once you receive your alert, right, it's time to smash the trade. And please be aware that when you receive the alert, first you need to check if you are in value area high. So we set the alert on the bearish or bullish divergence, right? And of course, you need to constantly pull out your fixed range volume profile every day, because every day it changes. But right here where we received the alerts, to see how they were above. So this has changed slightly, but at the time they were all above the value area high. So once you see, so you get the alert, you check to see if on your value area you are in the position of power. Always play from a position of power and strength. Use a stop loss and do not get wrecked. And if you took then any of these trades, you banged out the profits, right? And let me just be very clear here on my strategy, because this is how I have 100% win rate. Okay, so when you get the bullish divergence, let's take this example right here. It's a hedge trading strategy, which is not easy, but it's the best strategy. It's the OG strategy. So you enter the trade when you get the bullish divergence and you see it is below this blue line, right? Thank you everybody for being here. So awesome. We have only 10 more likes to the giveaway. All right, now this is very important, so I'm going to go a little bit slowly here. We entered the bullish divergence right here. Do you see at 2%? So it looks tiny. But when you enter your trade on Bybit, let me just show you actually on Bybit. Oh, it's fine. I'm not going to spend too much time here. We'll actually... What I'm going to do, right? I just had a cool idea. The next time I receive any of these alerts on any altcoin, on Bitcoin, on my strategy, and I drop it in my trading academy as a signal, I'm going to quickly hop on a live. So I want everyone right now on my channel to click the notifications bell. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the trade live so that you can see how I enter the trade. And for now, because I want to get to the alpha, I'm just going to quickly walk you through it. I'm giving away dollars, my G. I'm giving away dollars. Alright, so... And yeah, WACO, I'm definitely going to pop you something, bro. Even if you just add it to my follow on copy trading. So WACO is my highest margin follower with almost $500 behind me on copy trading. So thank you, brother. I appreciate your trust. And he is also my thumbnail artist. And I'm definitely sending you a personal gift for this thumbnail, bro. It's the reason we got like, oh my gosh, all-time highs for live YouTube viewers. And you're a beast, my bro. Alright, everybody set the alerts because I'm going to open the next trade live. And it's not going to be scheduled. I'm just going to open a live and I'm going to show you how I enter the live trade. Alright. Let me breathe. Let me breathe. Alright, so this is a good example because we didn't even get to the POC. But it was still a banger trade. Alright, we'll do this example now. So here it is. We enter the trade literally at 2%. You see, okay, the entry for the trade was at 55K, 55.4, right? 2% is 56.7, and this is how you get 100% win rate. You set your limit take profit, not your take profit, your limit order take profit for 50% of your margin. So let me be very clear, this is a 50x strategy. 50x strategy. At 2%, you take 50% of your margin off the table, which will be 100% ROI, right? Which means at that point, you then put your stop loss to break even, which is stop loss at entry. And then you let the rest of your 50% margin ride. And as it's riding, you take gradual profits along the way. You do not close the trade. Only if your trade hits your stop loss at break even, you let it close. And if you really want to be an OG hedge trader like Jason Casper, who, let me be very honest, Jason Casper is the one who has taught me to be a profitable trader. If there is one paid VIP community you should be in, it is Jason Casper's. It is only $65 per month. And I actually won a little, he calls it his Casper Games. The other day I won $500 in his community, which paid me back all the money I've ever spent in his VIP. How cool is that? I won $500 just for being in his VIP and playing a game with him. It was too lovely. All right. So the OG way is to actually keep your stop loss below the previous swing low. So somewhere here. And then have a look at this. You would have added to your trade right here. You see this entry here. It's where you open your trade again with another 2%. And you ride profits up. Right? This was another signal here below the value area low of the range. The bullish divergence with the big green dot. Right? You take your long trade here. You take 50% of your margin off the table at 2%. You add here, you get the 100% win rate. You let the rest ride. So I trade these trades on about $100. So let's just work it out, right? This was the triple bullish divergence. So every time there's a bullish divergence that is connected, you get more and more bullish, right? Because this is just one bull. This is a double bull. That is what we call a triple bullish divergence. And when you see a triple, baby, you better know something big is going to pop, right? When you see a triple, something big is going to pop. Let me just show you here. This was the triple. This is single, double, triple. Have a look at this trade from the triple. Boom, 32% down, zero drawdown. Yeah, this indicator is the beast, and it's why I'm finally comfortable to actually teach this to a community, because I'm an influencer that does not want anybody to get wrecked. I do believe that nobody needs to get wrecked in this industry. They just need a community. That's it. All right, so let me quickly do the maths and then we're done. We're going on to alpha. But basically, you entered the trade here. You took 50% off at 2%. All right, so on $100, you already would have made $100, right? So you've got your initial margin off the table and your stop loss is at a break even. You pull your stop loss up. You can even set a limit order to activate, a conditional order to activate when your 2% goes off. I know that's a little bit advanced, but all you need to do is monitor your trade. When you see your limit order at 2%, so let me just take it slow here. We entered the trade right here. At 2%, we took our initial margin off the table. So as we entered our trade, we first saw that the entry was somewhere here, around 53. Then 2% was around 55. Right? So at 53, you enter the trade, you place a limit order at 55. Once the limit order pops off, you take your stop loss, you put it to break even. Then the $100 profit that you still have in the trade, which is now free money because you've just made it, you let that ride, y'all. And that would have given you an 86% up on a 50x, which is about 4,000% profit on your $100. Is everyone with me? All right, beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff. Let's see where we're at for this giveaway. We're crawling for the giveaway. 41 likes, y'all. We've got 9 more. We've got 9 more left. And please drop your alpha in the chat. Drop your alpha in my Discord live stream chat. All right, are we ready for the alpha? Drop for me in the comments right now if you're down with the market cipher B. Let me know, did you enjoy the tutorial? Did it all go over your head? Are you excited for the video? And right now in the chat, just drop for me what you want to start with on the alpha. I've got so much alpha to go through. Do you want to start with my current copy trading trades, what I'm looking to add to? Do you want to start with the trades that I'm looking to open in the next 2 days? What's going on? What's going on? And while you're dropping your alpha, I'm going to run to the little girl's room. So please stick around. I'll be back. And what I'll do is I'll bring up the current trades on copy trading. And just let me know like what you'd like to look at. Please stick around. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. All right. Thank you for sticking around, everybody. Much appreciated. I am back, and I can see we're still pumping. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're on 7 more likes to the giveaway, y'all. 7 more likes. All right, so it's pretty simple, right? To follow me on copy trading, you literally just come to this link. Wow, another awesome song. Is this? Yes, this is copyright free. Beautiful stuff. Okay, so I'm dropping a link right now in the chat. And Real Dog, I see you're on Twitter, my bro. If you're on Twitter, please come to YouTube. Just search Jordan Crypt on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, because that's where the real heat is at. Yeah, thank you, bro. I just checked and this is not copyrighted. So hopefully we don't get a strike on the other one, but all good. They give us actions. I might have to edit out that 15 minutes or whatever. All right, so here you see my copy trading link, right? So you just follow that link. Yeah, let's go. Thank you, brother. And yeah, it's quite simple, right? You just come to copy trading and you just search for my name. And you can see, look at this ROI. Our strategy has been patience by the blood, DCA in all of the altcoins that we have fundamental bullish analysis on, high conviction altcoins. And make sure you read my bio. Make sure you use the copy sync. I think it's a forced copy sync at this point. But yeah, just come join us. I've got $2,000 under management right now. I'm taking my portfolio from $500 to literally $10,000, and then we'll go $10,000. Literally, we're going towards $1 million portfolio. This is a long-term journey, and thank you to my followers. Thank you, everybody who puts their faith in me. We can see that things are looking good. We have not lost a trade in 49 trades. That's what's up, and I love this comment, bro. I love it. All right, so the copy trading, basically the minimum is $50, but just put what you can and be patient. Do not close trades. Let me do the work. All right, let's see both. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so what I'm first gonna do is show you the trades that I want to add to, right? So this is my GALA trade. No copyright. And what I'm going to do is actually just loop this so that we don't get lost again. Oh, every time, y'all, every time. Crazy stuff. Okay, so GALA I'm definitely adding to, and GALA is going to be my first higher leverage play. So what I'm going to do in the next 2 days, when I can add to my position, I'm actually going to increase my leverage. And I'm going to show you why here, because there is no... Okay, Jasmine. But other than Jasmine, I've not found a higher risk to reward ratio than this. And you know what? I will give a personal giveaway. I will give a personal gift to anybody who can tell me a coin that has a higher risk to reward ratio right now than GALA or Jasmine. Anybody, right? A personal gift from me. As we can see, this is a 1 to 40. A 1 to 41 risk to reward ratio right now. We're looking at a 3,000% on spot, just to all-time high for GALA. And it has started to kick off, y'all. We're coming up to our midterm kind of seasonal resistance. Did we just smash the 50? Hey, well done, everybody. Okay, so let me stick to my word. Should I do the giveaway right now? Or should we do the alpha and then I do the giveaway? Ponke, please leave Ponke, Amana. Leave Ponke, my bro. Ponke is the normie coin. It's manipulated. Bro, we are the OGs. We don't need to trade Ponke. Please leave Ponke. There's 100 coins I would rather that you buy or trade than Ponke, alright? Everybody leave Ponke. Even if you miss out, just leave it. It's manipulated. It's normie. It's not my vibe. After the alpha, that's what I like to hear. Alpha then giveaway. Swas says now. No, but I'm thinking alpha then giveaway, y'all. Let's do the work, right? Let's do the work. And thank you, everybody. You absolutely gave me what I needed. On what time frame? Horizon. Elena, beautiful question there. Beautiful question. All right, so the time horizon here for GALA is literally like, I would say give it basically a year or two. And I know that sounds crazy, but we're gonna be making bank. Like, I'm gonna take my trade to a 5x. And just imagine a 3,000% on a 5x, right? That's like a 15,000% ROI. So we're not complaining. December 2025. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. But basically the way to tell is like, how long did it take us to get to the middle of the smile curve? 703 days, right? So that's like 2 years, 2 and a bit. No, it's like 2 years. And if we want to get back to the top of the parabola, I always say parabola, but it's wrong. So let's just pull it out. 700 days. There we go. So this is the smile curve, right? And we have literally been DCAing here. It's one of my highest profit DCAs already. And this is why you DCA. This is the smile curve. These are the crooked teeth. And this is how we make our money, y'all. Okay, so there's some input on GALA. I mean, it's absolutely crazy. And we're going to see some nuts volatility here. Like if we pull out our Fibonacci retracement all the way from the top to the bottom, we can see here that the current target, like for major take profits, is the 0.382. And then we're looking at the golden pocket for like a major retracement before we go up. So like we're in for a crazy ride. I do believe we're basically gonna see this in reverse, right? Do you see how the 618 and the 0.382 are respected? We are literally going to see the exact same thing in reverse, and it's already started. And then if you really want to see like the OG support and resistance, I want you to use your parabolic curve. It's like really hard to even see this chart because it's astronomical. But basically you want to pull out a curve like this, and this takes time. So yeah, be patient with yourself here. But basically you want to be catching like the curve here. It's difficult. It really takes time to get used to and understand. But I do believe this is a parabolic curve. So it's just about like literally finding where it is. And this one is less important. But what we really want to find is the up curve, right? So like what is happening here? I'm not going to spend too long on this because I've got like 15 coins I want to do today. But this is the kind of parabolic support that we're looking at. These are finicky, so I'm going to take them out for now. I will do them in my own time and then I will show you. All right, has anyone got the personal giveaway? Has anyone got a better risk to reward ratio than Jasmine? Teach us your strategy. I just thought the whole strategy. Desmond, welcome. So you're gonna have to replay the video, my brother. No stress, Mr. Jared. I know you're hard at work, bro. Hard at work, my brother. So lovely to have you, and you can hear my voice is going. Will you also be taking the trade on on Copy Trading? Yes, 100%. So I'm already in this trade. So this is the GALA trade currently. We can see it's in 183% profit. We're doing very well, but I feel like I'm underexposed. It's only a $20 margin and it's only at 2x. So I'm going to take it up to a 3x, a 4x, a 5x gradually. And as you increase your leverage, of course, your margin declines. So I will be adding margin and I will be increasing the leverage. And I'm just so happy that we're still retracing, right? Because this is, of course, your Fibonacci retracement. So from bottom to top, you can see that this is clearly the 0.382 level, which is currently giving support. And I'm really hoping for this 0.618. So basically what I would love is for us to actually come down and test our entry here. So I can double my position, increase my leverage, and then we go to the moon. So don't hop into this trade willy-nilly. All right, let's see who's really been following me. What is my strategy for entering into a trade on a coin that is already pumped? GALA will bring us back to the Grand GALA. Let's go. Check link. My G music is for the money. Which link? Okay, this is still no copyright. Great stuff. I've sent to live stream and chat. All right, beautiful. I will be looking. Okay, so TRB we can look at. Thank you so much, Amana. Drop for me your alpha in the chat. Yeah, I said it yesterday, exactly. Yeah, so that's an interesting question as well. Unfortunately, you won't benefit when I add to a trade. But that's just the reason to get in to my copy trading as quickly as you can, because I'm going to open 15 to 20 new trades in 2 days. So you have the opportunity, right? But no, you can't get in on a trade when I add to it, because like say I add to this trade now, right? It would bring my entry up a little bit, but it just wouldn't make sense because you don't have this entry if you're not following now. So then you would have this entry, which is like wrong. So yeah, it doesn't allow you to join the trade. Till Wednesday, I'm gonna have to open trades, but I'm not gonna open them all in one day. You know, I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna open 15 plus trades within the next week. All right, I said it yesterday, so let's go. What is my strategy for entering into a coin that's already pumped? And let me quickly show you Jasmine, because this cancer research is really making me super happy. And I should have entered here when I was really checking it out, literally like a few months ago, but you know what, I didn't, and we move. We move. I didn't know about the cancer research, and now I do. All right, thank you everybody for being here. We have smashed the 50, so we will be doing a giveaway shortly. If you are here, make sure you're under my link, right? Otherwise, you won't be eligible for the giveaway. And this time, what we'll do is we might do 10 people for the giveaway, or do you want 5 people again? Okay, so I just want to show you Jasmine, and I haven't found a chart that takes it all the way back except for coin market cap. But have a look here. All right, so this is what I want you to be very aware of, right? Jasmine is finally coming back into the market with serious alpha on their cancer research. Neogen Dentrix cellular research. Do you see this all-time high here, right? 3.4. I actually thought it went up to $4. I think it wicked up to $4.2, but either way, right? Current price is 4 cents. 4 cents, and it went up to 3.5. So it's not on this chart, but have a look at this. So there is no risk to reward ratio that I have found on the charts that is better than this. From right now, if we enter now, sheesh, this is like hard to even do on the charts. All right, if we go up to $3, which is all-time high for this coin. All right, so let's take our stop loss below the floor. So when I say the floor, I mean literally the lowest the coin has ever gone. So you pretty much have to put your stop at 2 cents, which is okay for going from 4 cents. Oh no, it's not. It's 0.002. So it's a pretty gnarly stop loss zone that we have to have. And let's take our entry to current price. Have a look at this risk to reward, y'all. It's a 1 to 71. So we're risking 1 to earn 71 times that. And if we go to the top, let's have a look at the percentage. I mean, this is face melting stuff. We're looking at a 6,000% increase on spot. And I'm going to open this on a 3x. So what is that? That's 18,000% ROI that we're looking at. And yeah, it's going to take some time because this all-time high was in February 2021. So it's 3 years, right, that we might have to wait. But I'm chilled to wait 3 years for an 18,000% increase. All right, so I hope everybody's following. I'm going to speed up now. I want to do a bit of a whirlwind on some new alpha coins. And let me quickly tell you the trades that I'm going to add to and increase my leverage. So definitely ADA. So we're finally getting a little bit of a retracement on ADA. And I feel like I'm a little bit underexposed here. So ADA, I will be increasing my margin. I will be increasing my leverage. We're not going to go into fundamentals on Cardano right now because, come on, right? Like, I've been speaking about Cardano for 4 or 5 years. All right, so another coin that I will be adding to is, of course, XRP, but we'll get there. I will be adding to my Filecoin trade. So take notes here. We'll be adding to Filecoin. I will be increasing my leverage. I will be adding to DOT. I will be increasing my leverage. Everything for me right now that is over 100% ROI on my trade. I will increase my leverage. I will increase my margin. And it means that we're already in the clear, right? So if we look at Link. Oh, I need to take a little bit of profits here. Let's go. And the reason I'm taking like so much profit is because I've only got 0.2 contracts. We'll leave this one. But basically what I want to do is literally add to the trade. It will bring my entry price up. But we're so far in the clear that it's going to be fine. And if we do come back down below, that is when I will really take my chance to add to my margin. All right, we're pushing for 100 live across the platforms. Please do come to YouTube if you're on Twitter. I see, yeah, we're doing way more on Twitter. So if you're on Twitter, please come to YouTube. Is it as advisable to buy on spot? Only if you use DCA. All right, DCA. Buy the dip on the weekly RSI when it is oversold and set your ladder limit entries with increasing buys lower all the way down to 0, and then it is a good idea. Yeah, 8,000% ROI, my brother. First time in the channel and enjoying. Thanks to my sister for linking me up. Let's go, Pumzile. Thank you so much. So much appreciated. And please do make sure that you subscribe, set the notifications, and we are cruising. Just checking some urgent thing here. No, we're all good, we're all good. Kumzile, such a warm welcome from me. Yeah, the double bearish divergence has been there for a while, so we're no longer in that play. We're no longer in that pay. We've already taken our profits. 10 people for more. Sure thing. Let's do it. Let's do 5 people. All right. So we'll have a vote just before. No one has dropped for me my strategy for entering into a pumped coin. Okay, so let me show you like... oh, this is my favorite one. Yeah, should I drop a freestyle? Oh, no, let me not make you guys cringe. I was about to do it, but let's just do the work, right? This is my favorite part of this whole hour. Okay, so this is the coin I want to enter into, right? So I don't have this on copy trading yet. And I will be starting this one off on a 3x because I'm getting a little bit more confident. I used to only start on a 2x. I'm getting a little bit more confident and I can't enter it yet. But in the next 2 days, please get on the copy trading because I need to enter this one, honestly. And I'm so happy we're retracing here. But as you can see, we are still over pumped, right? And that, of course, was a golden pocket hit. Beautiful golden pocket tap. Look at that. Oh, 0.618 golden pocket. So this also shows us that this coin is behaving, right? It's not manipulated. It hit the 0.618 and it shot back up. That is the golden pocket entry, and I couldn't take it because my account is being upgraded to UTA. All right, so has no one dropped for me my way of entering into a pumped coin? Myro. Okay, y'all keep begging for Myro, so I'm gonna add it to the list. Yeah, it is a form of dollar cost averaging, but it's a very specific strategy. Peter, better late than never, my brother. Freestyle your top 10 coins. Oh, Cardano. No, let me not freestyle right now. We're gonna do some work. Maybe I'll freestyle at the end. All right. So let me show you, right? We're still over pumped. We're around the 0.382. This is the 0.618. Like, this is where we want to enter our trade, right here on the sniper pattern at the breakout, at the change of market structure. I want a $100 position here, and I want this entry here, but I do not want to miss out. Exactly, bro. Oh, I said it in the Zoom last night. Exactly, bro. You buy into the blood. So the main thing for this strategy, right? Okay, Doge, I'm already in, and I'm gonna add to it for sure, 100%, because it's Department of Government Efficiency. So I'll show you my trade, I'll show you my strategy on that just now. All right, so everybody, just to be clear, I want a $100 position. I want my entry here at support. But if we go to the moon now, I don't want to be waiting here with my hands in my pockets, right? I want to catch whatever comes. So I'm going to enter on minimum margin, which is now going to be a 3x. I mean a minimum leverage and a minimum margin. The minimum margin here on copy trading is $5. So to be very clear, I will be entering this trade on a $5 margin, which means that if we go to the moon, all good, right? I'll take my, 9,000% ROI on $5 on a 3x. And we're making money either way. We don't complain about profits. But the strategy here is, and most of you will know this, I've said it a few thousand times, when we come 15% down, I actually double my margin. So I add another $5, because when you add 100% margin, your entry price comes all the way down. So at this point, we'll be at a $10 margin. If we come down another 15%, I will add another $10, right? We will then be at a $20 margin. If we come down another 15%, I will add another $20. By this point, we will be at a $40 margin. And this is exactly how I entered the GALA trade. Most of you in my copy trading were there for the blood, right? On my bio, it says there will be blood. All right, so here, if we come another 15% down, I will add another $40. And by this point, we'll be at an $80. And this is where we're getting kind of towards where we want to be. And this is risk management. I'm not trading with my own funds only here, bro. Right? Bros and gals. And this is the reason why I've managed to maintain such a high win rate. Because my stop for this, as you know, my stop is going to be here. Right? There's my stop loss. So I'll actually quickly draw in the long trade. So basically, we're going to start the trade here. The top of the ROI is going to like the moon, $3. But the stop loss is here, right? If we come another 15% down from the 80, I will double my position to about $160, right? And I highly doubt we will come this low on Jasmine. If anything, we're probably just going to hit one or two like that and start to move up. But just so you know, this is how risk managed I am on copy trading, and this is how I've managed. Look at this. Every single position is in profit except for two. All right, we've got Jup sitting in the blood. That one I'm not going to add to because we're not deep enough in the blood. I want to talk about Solana, because Solana might come down to an adding position. But let me quickly talk about the other ones I want to add to. So remember, I said everything that's above 100, I'm going to increase my leverage and add to my position. And the main one, actually, like my main conviction bet for this, I do believe we're going to see $5 quite imminently on XRP, because they've always been one of my favorites. They've just released the Ripple stablecoin, which has received government approval in the US to be used by the government for international transfers, which is massive. And they're XRP, right? They're the fastest, cheapest, best send, I would say, other than Cardano. Cardano is my number one. XRP right now is my number two, and I've been saying this for years. Long before they paired, long before they collaborated and went with the government. Alright, so those are the trades I'll be adding to, and I quickly want to show you my play here on Solana, because I'm still bullish on Solana, y'all. Like, yes, Sui is taking off now as the meme coin contract, but Solana still is doing something beautiful. I want to try get full Solana price action. So this is such a high cap, which is one of the reasons I traded. This is $107 billion invested in Solana in total. And if we have a look at, I mean, we're already busting past all-time highs. So no wonder we're retracing, right? We just have to take this very carefully and have a look at the golden pocket. So I'm definitely not going to add yet. I'm very happy that we're in the blood, because I do want a bigger position on this. But if we look at the total Fibonacci retracement here, like all the way from the bottom, we just need to be very careful here. Because this is the reality. This is the reality, y'all. 0.382, right, is the next major support. Oh, we have almost 100 across the platforms. If you're on Twitter, please do come to YouTube. And I have a $500 position drop for anyone who signs up under my link and joins my trading academy. Let's go. But have a look here. This is the golden pocket. So we might see a lot more blood here. So again, I'm not going to add to my trade yet, but when we come 15% down, I'll double my margin. We come another 15% down and double my margin, blah, 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 what I've just explained, right? Okay, so finally time to move on to the alpha. We have Jasmy. Okay, Jasmy is a go. I will be entering Jasmy with the strategy that I just laid out. And let me know if you follow my, I'm giving Jasmy 5 stars. 5 stars means I will enter it imminently. If you follow me on copy trading now during the stream, let me know. I will check if the followers go up and I will send you a personal gift. All right, we're pumping. And don't stop smashing the likes just because we're doing the giveaway. All right, I'm just going into the chat to see if everybody is learning and loving. Let me know in the chat. I know we've been streaming now for almost 2 hours. So not much longer. Feel free to hop off if you're feeling saturated. Yeah, so my current setup is to actually not set limit orders. On my DGen account, I do set the limit orders. But right now, I just enter on minimum margin and I bring it down slowly. Bro, you're definitely following me with almost $500. That's what's up, bro. All right, Doge. Okay, cool. So let me quickly chat about Doge. I see we have 100 live across the platforms. Thank you everybody for hopping on, and please hop onto YouTube. If you are live on another platform, please hop onto YouTube. And you know what? I will double the giveaway if we hit 100 likes. We'll double the giveaway if we hit 100 likes. Do you have pending orders? Don't have the funds to be able to follow. No stress at all, bro. No stress at all. I'll think about gifting, but at the moment, I actually want to support some of my clients who are traders. But I'll think about it. Okay, so I'll quickly show you my Doge. So Doge is like hovering around its entry price. So this one, I will stick to my guns here. And I will add to my trade in the blood. You see, I've literally put the levels in. I'll double my margin, double my margin, double my margin. And what this strategy does is it makes you a vampire. It makes you hungry for the blood. So it causes this beautiful flipping mentality, right? Be fearful when others are greedy, be greedy when others are fearful. And when you see Doge dump, all of a sudden you're not scared. You're like, yes, it's dumping. I can add to my trade. Yes, it's dumping. Yes, it's dumping. And let me be very honest. This is the Department of Government Efficiency. This is Elon's baby. He will not let it go to zero. Yes, he will manipulate it. Yes, he will give very cryptic tweets. But Elon is going to send this coin to the moon. He's not opposed to buying it himself, and he has $400 billion. So this is going to the moon, guys. And yeah, this is why I'm in the trade. This is why I will add to my trade. Of course, I'm very late. I'm very late on the entry. And you can see why I want to enter here, because this is the actual entry. Alright, I'm loving the chat. Thank you so much, everybody. So now it's time for the alpha. Right, I just want to show you why I'm so bullish on these coins. I will be opening Immutable. Just double check that it is on copy trading once again. Please. Yes. Alright, so Immutable is one of the OG gaming ecosystems that is coming out. And we can see it's currently about $1.9. The all-time high is $9.3 in 2021. So it's not that new. Alright, so let's quickly, I mean, this is one that I'm giving 5 stars, y'all. Did y'all see that? $9. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is magnifique. Magnifico. A beautiful risk to reward of 1 to 4.8, a 408% up to all-time high. And the main reason I'm bullish on this is because, look at this, right? They have a max supply. That is the total amount of tokens that can ever be minted. We are currently at 84% of this. After this, they can physically no longer mint any tokens. Read the white paper. It is very impressive. Look at this, 2 days ago. How to pick a gaming token winner in this bull. Yo, and very soon we're going to be having even longer streams, y'all. Because I have bought a walking pad, which means I can now walk. As soon as my walking desk is here, you're going to see me walking and trading, walking and streaming, live trading for hours and hours. Because I don't like sitting. I just don't like sitting for this amount of time. Alright, so let's quickly read. First, layer 2 scaling solution for NFTs on Ethereum. It's the blockchain that does away with Ethereum's limitations. How beautiful. Create and distribute assets like ERC20. The game director of Gods Unchained. And I want you to quickly see their collaborations. I mean, look at this unique section. A lot of coins don't even have a unique section. Immutable's unique section has 4 things. Yeah, I'm not gonna spend too long on this. What did they say they were? Who did they say they were pairing with? Let's see if it's in the news. Let's just read this article. Ape into gaming ecosystem cryptos. Let's see. Oh yes, exactly. They partnered with YGG. Ronin Network. Market cap is beautiful. Pixel. Okay, interesting. But anyway, it's bullish. It's bullish, y'all. So this I'm giving 5 stars. Mainly because there's a total supply. Okay, we're gonna start moving a little bit quicker here. The next one is Curve Finance. So this is the alpha, right? This whole stream. Oh, it's curved out. Even better. Even better. Decentralized autonomous organization. Oh, let's go. And I mean, look at this risk to reward. All-time high of $11. We're currently at $1. That's a 10x incoming, brothers and sisters. No stress, no stress. Beautiful. Follow the copy trading. Coinrency is learning. Love to hear it. All right, so if you're still following, if you're still alive, if you want me to continue, just drop a message. I know we've been streaming now for 1 hour and 56 minutes, but we are pretty much at all-time high for live viewers. How much fun is this? You're okay, you're okay. All right, so get up, stretch your legs, do a little dance, do what you need to do. We're not done. We're not done, y'all. Okay, so 1.57 billion market cap, no max supply. So I cannot give it 5 stars. I can still give it 4 stars. Let's see. They've got a unique section, so they're looking good. Automatic market maker. Amazing. Yield farming. Let's go. Decentralized exchange for stablecoins that uses an AMM to manage liquidity. So what's the alpha here on curve? It's like Aave, beautiful convex engine. Does anybody know the alpha here on curve? I really am into this chart. All right, so when you see this, right, we call this 3 white soldiers, 25 white soldiers, whatever you want to call it. When you see a break of market structure this strong, just realize that basically all the whales have suddenly woken up to this coin. You see that? We were getting literally on the daily time frame, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then all of a sudden, ba-ba-boom, higher high, higher low. Everybody and their grandmother figured out that the whales are now moving into this coin and market structure has changed. And of course, Market Cypher B gave us the bull. Right there. It gave us many opportunities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities to enter this trade right there. And then it said, you know what? If you're not in the trade, I'm going to give you one more chance. Ba-ba-bee. If you entered the trade right there on the bullish divergence, you would now be 409% up on spot. Yeah, so it hurts, but we move, right? We can't go back in time. So now it's about what do we do now? And the reason I'm bullish on this is because obviously they're doing unique things, which is my main fundamental factor. But there's also still a significantly awesome risk to reward ratio here. Not as good as Jasmine and stuff like that. But if we enter the trade right now, we're still looking at a positive risk to reward of at least 1 to 4.25, which makes it doable on copy trading. It makes it doable. And I will still just do the same thing. Minimum margin, minimum leverage. Add to the margin, add to the margin, add to the margin. Let's go, add to the margin. And then once we are up here above 100% ROI, that's when I will increase my leverage when we are in the clear. All right, so CRV I'm giving 4 stars, but I'm still gonna enter it. 4 stars because it's so unique, but not 5 stars because it doesn't have a max supply. Have some matcha, exactly. And if you haven't tried it, this is my drink, the Red Bull Apricot. It's amazing. It's amazing. Let's go. What did I see there? Let's stream till Monday morning. Let's go. So I hope you're all taking notes on the alpha. We've got Jasmine, IMX, CRV. These are literally my top picks. Obviously behind Cardano, XRP, Link, Dot, all those ones that I've already entered. I hope you've taken note of. Eating and watching, bro. That's the way. You got to feed yourself. I had 2 eggs on toast before the stream started. Oh, yeah. Let's just take a little bit of time to wake up. Wake up, y'all. Bodies. Move your bodies, y'all. Keep it hot, keep it hot. Alright, let's get back into it. I hope that wokened everybody up. I see the crew. The crew is in. Let's go. Thank you everybody for sticking around. We've been streaming for 2 hours. That's what's up. We're doing the work, right? We do the work for 2 hours now. We make absolutely bank. What we're in now is a super cycle. Do you understand that? We're in a super altcoin cycle. And I didn't do the zoom out on Bitcoin. I didn't do the zoom out on altcoins. We didn't really do our due diligence. So let's take a break from the alpha right now. And I just want to quickly show you the due diligence here. Just want to show you what's up for this cycle and why you need to know that, like, this is already phase 2. And we don't have that much more time to make money here. We need to literally act now, like WACO's thumbnail says. Okay, so I just want to show you all something quick. And just bear with my chart here. I know it's a little bit messy. But I just want to show you the first cycle, right? This is the first Bitcoin cycle. Well, not the first. This is the first one back here. Oh, this track is a banger. But anyway, we'll go from the second cycle and just have a look here what happened. Alright, if you're watching on Twitter, please come through to YouTube. Yeah, this is what we call the pump or dump song. I've learned it from Jason Casper. Are we gonna pump? No, we're gonna dump. But that's Jason Casper's intellectual property. Let's go, big dreams in the building. Alright, so first cycle, right? We went parabolic on Bitcoin. We did 3,300% in the bull market. And then literally, like, it was 80% down, 83% down. So you have to have a take profit plan, right? You gotta have a plan, y'all. And as you can see from what I'm about to show you, our bull cycles are actually getting smaller. So that was 3,400. If we look at the next bull cycle that we had, like, obviously as the price of Bitcoin gets more, like the cycles get smaller, like it just makes sense, right? So this cycle was 1,800, which is like it's like a 50%, almost a 50% drop in total like ROI on the bull market. So yes, try to trade at the US market open, which is basically like 3 p.m. South African time. So like 1 p.m. UTC is where you should start like planning your trades for the US market open. And Jason Casper streams live in his VIP every day at that time. And what he does is he streams live in his VIP and he sets up all his trades, and then he streams live on YouTube. So in the VIP, you get to watch him actually setting up his trades. It's really cool. Welcome, Mr. Corsu. Okay, so we saw there 1.8 thousand. And what I want to show you here, and Crypto popped this on his Instagram, like a lot of people think this is the bull market. Not really, right? The bull market started here at $15,000. We're already 500% up, right? The last, it was 3,800%, then it went to 1,800%. If we halve it again, literally, we're looking at about a 900%. Which means if we go from 900%, you can see I've actually got my line here. So let's go. We're looking at about, okay, a little bit more. We're looking at about this for a bull market target. And it's beautiful. Like we still have some massive money to be made, but we just need to be, you know, like a little bit conservative here. This could be the last leg of our bull cycle, and hopefully we will actually fill these gaps and be a little bit more healthy before we go up and hit that 160,000K target. But then just note, right, that you should be taking profits here on your Bitcoin, on your altcoins, because then we're looking at an 80% retracement. And that would just make so much sense, because this is the gap that we left behind, not the CME gap. But have a look how we were doing beautiful market structure here. This is the line. And then the scene of the crime is right here. So let me just take it slow here for the newbies. So you see this resistance level, right? We flipped it, but then we didn't test it. Which to institutional traders is known as the scene of the crime. This line right here is what we still need to test for actual market structure. And did you see here? It's actually the larger trend golden pocket. It just has not been tapped. It has not been touched. And that would be the 80% down from the 160K top. All right, so I just felt like I needed to let you know that literally, maybe we have 2 or 3 months left in this bullish cycle. And we just have to make sure we make the bank and we realize the bank in that time, or we're going to miss out, right? And then let me take you to the altcoin season index. And let me just show you, it looks like we're heading directly back up for another altcoin season session. This is when alts were going parabolic, and this is how high we can go. Right? And it looks like we're gonna stay in altcoin season for only 2 to 3 months. Hopefully we're gonna get a bit more blood, but as soon as we pop up in here, we're looking for 2 to 3 months in this altcoin season to literally make the bank. And remember, Bitcoin needs to keep going up while Bitcoin dominance comes down. So for due diligence, of course, we need to head to the Bitcoin dominance chart. And lo and behold, it did exactly what we said, right? We said, if we break this curve on Bitcoin dominance, we're going to enter the channel. We're going to break the median and come all the way back to support. The charts are behaving, y'all. Don't think it's that confusing, because it's not. We came back down to support. We came back to break the median, test the median, and then break below the median. And now altcoin, basically Bitcoin dominance, is testing that median line. We need Bitcoin to go up while Bitcoin dominance comes down. You just go BTC dominance cheat sheet. And it's this one that I want you to learn, right? Miles Deutscher. What a G. Miles makes me laugh so much. I love him. He's so sassy and funny. He's like a Sigma. He's a Sigma Gen Z, and he's just hilarious. All right, but anyway, I want you to learn this like the back of your hand. Please screenshot it. Make sure you understand it. And what you really need to understand is this part where it says alt season, right? It's when dominance is coming down, but Bitcoin price is still going up. Is everyone with me? All right, we're doing very well, y'all. Thanks for being here. We're going to finish off the stream soon. So thank you so much, everybody, for being here. I've got a little bit more alpha I want to do. I just really needed to show y'all that. And then if you want to see the market cap of all the altcoins, come to total 3. And what I really wanted to show you here is what we found yesterday in the South African stream. Have a look how altcoin market cap created an all-time high right there. And then it's beautiful. We literally tested that all-time high to the dollar with candle bodies right here. So all the way back here in 2021, the top of our altcoin season has just been tested. And if we break this 1.13 trillion market cap for altcoins, it's when we will go completely parabolic. All right, are you guys still alive? Guys and girls still alive? Only trade when Jordan trades. You got $500 behind me, bro. So you're not missing on any of these new trades incoming. But have a look at the bearish engulfing candle that came in to the dollar at previous all-time high resistance. So all we need is for altcoins to smash this level, find support, and we're going to the moon. Okay, so we don't have too much longer. I just want to do a little bit more alpha here. We've done 3 coins out of the 15 alpha coins I want to do. So it's crazy. It's crazy today, but we're gonna keep going, y'all. I'm gonna touch some serious grass after this. All right, so ENA, Athena. Let's quickly do it. I want to see how many stars are we giving Athena. Am I gonna enter it on copy trading? All right, so no max supply, so it can't get 5 stars. Let's see the risk to reward. It's all right. It's already like pretty pumped, if I'm honest. Do they have unique stuff? There's not much here. Crypto native solution for money that is not reliant. So it's like an RWA, which is cool. But there's just not much here, right? Who's bullish on Athena? I'm much more bullish on Penville and Sui and Tia. All right, there's some unlocks coming up. It's a 2.93 billion. I don't like that there's no max supply. I'm going to give this a 2-star. And let's just move on to near. I don't think I have the near trade. No, I don't have the near trade. Near I'm into. Just want to check if they've got a max supply quickly. Come on, come on, give me max. No max supply, can't get 5 stars. What's the risk to reward like? Risk to reward is looking good. All right, $19 from $6.8. That's a decent risk to reward. Our stop is gonna have to be very low down, but it's doable. And there's a lot coming out. EVM, non-EVM. Wow. Community-run cloud computing platform that eliminates some of the limitations that have been bogging competing blockchains. Low transaction speeds. What makes it unique? Nightshade to improve transaction throughput. Variation of sharding. Okay, so this are like ENA, I'm gonna give 2 stars. Near, I'm gonna give 3 stars. Because the risk to reward isn't that hectic. Alright, and then Aave, I'm kicking myself because literally I had the whole thing set up and I just did not enter the trade. Let me know if you're still enjoying the stream. Bullish on Pendle, yeah, defs. Yeah, we're barely alive, bro, me too. Lady, me too. Near at $20 incoming, tier to $80. So we're gonna look at tier. Let me circle it. Okay, so this is annoying because I literally had the trade set up and I didn't enter it. Look how much profit I would be in right now. I put this position in here to enter the trade. Oh my gosh. Hey, you know what? We move. But yeah, it's still looking good. RV is a real world asset system and it's OG, so I'm going to enter into the blood on this. Because it's overpumped already, I'm going to give it 3 stars. Does it have a max supply? If it has a max supply, I'll give it another star. Nope, no max supply. Okay, so the next one is Sui. The next one that I really want to enter is Sui. I don't yet have it. Still here and enjoying. What's up, my G? Costly in the building. Thank you so much for joining. So for the crew, I just taught them Market Cipher B. Costly, let me know, how is your Market Cipher B going? I know you are born in the fire and I know you trade the 4-hour time frame, which is much more difficult, but let us know how it's going. All right, Sui. Max supply, y'all. So we're still only at literally 29%, 30%. But are you seeing what I'm seeing? They cannot inflate this coin. They cannot mint more Sui after 10 billion. So this one is very likely going to get a 5-star for me. The only difficult thing here is that it is extremely overpumped. So we're just going to have to use the buy the blood strategy here. Because this is absolutely gnarly, right? And yeah, we just have to pull out our Fib retracement, figure out where everything is, and we can see the 0.382 major support, 0.618 major support. Like, I don't see how this coin could keep going very much. But you know what? When something is such a bullish ecosystem, it can just keep going. So what I'm going to do is literally enter here, like I said, on $5. And then 15% down. I'm going to add another $5 so that we're at $10. 15% down will be the 0.382. I'm going to add another $10 so we're at $20. Same thing, 15% down. I'm going to add another $20 so we're at $40, etc, etc, etc. So just because it has a max supply, I'm going to give it 5 stars, y'all, because that's what I love. And of course, it's becoming the new Solana. It's becoming the ecosystem for meme coins. Sui, near Ton and Tia. Yeah, interesting. So the Ton trade. Where's my Ton? It's doing well. It's like doing okay. But yeah, basically, if you're looking for altcoins that you want to enter into, I've said this many times, come to the altcoin season index and then look for the coins that are still underperforming Bitcoin, but they are in the top 50 over the last 90 days. Stream is awesome, but we need snacks. No stress. All right, Market Cipher B strategy is going smoothly. It's one of my favorites. Well done, well done. Can Sui hit $10? Easy. I'm going to say easy. Sui $10, easy, GG. So let me show you how to basically create a nice extension here. And it's a little bit difficult. But basically we're looking at like an Elliott wave extension or something like that. Yeah, so I mean, it's already just super overpumped. So it's anybody's guess right now. You know, Sui is in literally price discovery. But I've given it 5 stars because it's just OG. Okay, then I quickly want to see, does Solana have a max supply? It doesn't, right? Nah, it doesn't. and it's already around all-time high. So right now I'm just going to give it 2 stars. I do want to add to my trade there. Okay, so I don't know if we have time to go through all the rest of the alpha. So please vote for me in the chat. These are the coins that I want to open, but I'm not sure yet about. I need to do more FA. So let me know. TRX, Aerodrome, Ape, Hype. Hype I'll have to open on a DEX or something because it's not on Bybit. AERO has now been listed on Spot, but it's not yet on copy trading. Please, please, no. Not yet, but I believe TRX is. So TRX is doing crazy, crazy stuff. Alright, so this might be a great opportunity for us because it's quite dumped at the moment. So what you do here is you find basically the swing low, you find the bottom, and then you do a Fibonacci retracement. Let's just wait for that to load. Alright, so there's the bottom, and then you Fib retracement to the top. And as you can see, it didn't quite hit the 618. The 618, y'all. It's that crush that you had in high school who always rejected you, right? I've learned this from Jay Casper. It's the 0.61 y'all. That crush who always rejected you. And let me be honest, that's where the trades pop off. And we can see that we're busy retesting the 0.318 as resistance. So likely we're actually going to come and we're going to fill this golden pocket and then we're going to go to the moon. And I wouldn't be surprised if Justin Sun manipulates his own coin down to that golden pocket. Maybe he's not a manipulator, but I don't know if I trust him just yet. He's a cool guy. He's definitely cool and he's definitely funny, but I don't know how much I trust him yet, right? So let's just see if we've got a max supply here. Max supply, please, please. Max supply, please. No max supply. I don't know why they do this, but anyway, it's still a 25 billion cap at this point. And look at him. I mean, he's hilarious. Like, he's 24 years old. He has a $24 billion market cap coin. Crazy, right? On Bybit alone, 18 million traded in the last 24 hours. I mean, he's an OG. It's crazy. All right, let's see how we're doing. Wow, amazing. Almost 100 watching live. So if you are on Twitter, please come to YouTube. And we're about to do a giveaway. So make sure you're under my link in the description if you want to be a part of the giveaway. You can only claim the giveaway if you are under my link. Okay, what is Tron? Decentralized blockchain-based operating system. That's amazing. They were launched on ESC20, then they made their own network. They were like, nah, this is too slow. And providing full ownership rights. Main goal is to help content creators. Thank you. I didn't even know that. Dapps, beautiful. Okay, what makes it unique? Let's go. All right, we have a nice, thick paragraph of unique aspects. An environment where content creators can connect with their audiences directly. I did not even know this. Did anybody else know this? By eliminating centralized platforms where there are streaming services, it is hoped that creators won't end up losing as much commission to middlemen. That's crazy. Content less expensive for consumers. Tron could have a head start in applying blockchain. Wow. All right, so I'm super bullish on TRX. I mean, I love Justin Sun. He's such a hilarious guy. He's the guy who bought the banana and then ate it, because he really understands the fine art industry. And we can see here, since listing on Bybit, I mean, he's just done so well. 550% up since listing. And this honestly doesn't really look like manipulation. This just looks like whales are trading this.
Like the whales bought here, so of course they're going to sell here, right? And of course they're going to buy back here. And if you look at this, like where the trend broke out, that probably is the golden pocket that it hit. Like to the dollar, middle of the golden pocket. So this doesn't actually look manipulated. This actually looks good. Now let me just see if we've got a TRX. There it is. That's where I will ape into my long. But at this point, I'm going to buy the blood strategy, right? I'm going to buy here. And I'm going to do 15% add, 15% add, 15% add. I'm pretty sure it's, yep, here it is on copy trading. Okay, so TRX, I'm just bullish on because of the whole content creator thing. No max supply, so I'm giving it 4 stars. All right, Aerodrome, we can't enter on copy trading, so I'm not going to look at it now. Ape. Yo, SEI, DYDX, APT. I really want to look at APT. I don't know why, I've just got a good feeling about APT. Okay, no max supply. Let's see the risk to reward here. It's looking decent. Not great. Okay, what's unique? What's unique? Network can process over 150,000 transactions per second. High transaction throughput is possible through a parallel execution engine. Okay, yeah, so that's really cool. So basically, like any of you who did science in school will know about, like, obviously if you're working with like electricity, you have systems which are in parallel. Okay, I'm not going to go too deep into this, but basically transactions are not all in one line. Like transactions are next to each other, they are parallel, and this allows for like awesome throughput, 150,000 transactions per second, which puts Visa and MasterCard to shame. No max supply, but it is a high market cap. The risk to reward here is not making me stoked. It seems like it might be like too overpumped to enter into, according to where its all-time high is. Okay, so let's do DYDX. We're almost done, y'all. So stick around for the giveaway. We're almost done. If you're not under my link, this is your last chance for the giveaway. Wait, is this the right DYDX? Yo, we've been streaming so long, I need the little girl's room again. Why is there a gap? Why is there a gap there? Crypto cap, why is there a gap? I don't like a chart with a gap, I'll tell you that. Alright, no gaps, this is looking better. Look at this risk to reward. Let's go. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so it's currently at 2.155. So is this the right? Yeah, this is the right one. What is it saying here? As a reward for securing network, 100% of protocol fees are distributed. Wow. Dope. So you can stake it for extremely high rewards. No max supply, so it can't get 5 stars from me. There's nothing really unique about it as of yet, but pro trading platform, pioneer in decentralized finance, known for being the first to offer decentralized margin trading. DEX aggregators, custom layer 1, SDK, high leverage, deep liquidity, low fees. Wow. Arbitrum, OP, SUI, Blur, Wormhole, let's go. It is a large market cap, and this risk to reward is making me stoked. This is something that I'm willing to risk money on. So let's go. It's a 1 to 14. 1 to 14 to all-time high. It has just changed. It has just started to break market structure. So this one I'm giving 4 stars. Anything above 3 stars I'm going to open on copy trading. So we've got Jasmy, IMX, CRV. We've got Near. We've got Arde. We've got Sui. We've got TRX, we've got DYDX. So don't delay to go onto the copy trading. I will show you my profile once again, please do come and follow me. I am Jordan Crypt SA on copy trading. Jordan Crypt SA on copy trading. All right, beautiful. Let's just do, we're almost done, y'all. 2.5 hours. This is probably our longest stream, right? This is our longest stream. So give yourself a pat on the back if you are here doing the work on a Saturday morning. Hey, Kevin, are you new to the stream, brother? Are you new to the stream? Because you might not know that I'm in the HBAR trade, my brother. I am in the HBAR trade 263% from 12 cents to 30 cents. I will be increasing my leverage. I will be increasing my margin. Yeah, and I'm gonna buy the retest. I'm gonna buy the retest. Money don't sleep. All right, check out Theta. Thank you, Lionium. I will do. I'm noting it right now. We're gonna do it. Theta. All right, so what I wanna do is OP. I don't think I'm in the OP trade. Oh, I am in the OP trade. You see how many trades I'm in? I don't even know. All right, no stress. OP I'll think about adding to because there's some fundamentals there. Let's quickly do tier. And we're almost done, y'all. Thank you for sticking around. I appreciate every single one of you. Yeah, money don't sleep, y'all. Sleep is for the dead. Only kidding. It's been a while since I traded OP. Yeah, if you're good at trading a pair, keep trading that pair. Yeah, so beautiful. That last risk to reward is gorgeous. All right, so tier, what's happening? No max supply. It is a large cap, so I'm comfortable trading it. What's the risk to reward? Risk to reward looking absolutely juicy. News coming out 3 years ago. Ginger upgrade. 3 hours ago. See, I lose my mind after streaming for too long. Is it not on Bybit? No, come on. Come on. Please tell me this coin is on copy trading. Okay, thank the Lord it is. No max supply, so it can only get 4 stars. But let's see. TIA is the first modular network that enables anyone to easily deploy their own blockchain. Yo, this is cool. This is cool, y'all. Decouples execution from consensus. Oh, this is big brain. How can there be nothing unique? This whole thing is unique. So they obviously just haven't added it. What is real world applications? Yeah, a lot of applications for real world. That's really nice. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Mustafa Al-Bassam, a former hacker turned blockchain researcher, a wealth of cybersecurity expertise. Okay, I'm loving this. Who's into tier? Who's in tier already? I know a lot of you are already trading tier. Yeah, this is a dope risk to reward ratio right here. And you can see, you know how I always say this? I always say sideways is good. Look how this coin was trending sideways in this triangle for so long. So let me just explain to the newbies to my channel. When you see a coin going sideways like this, it's literally whales that are accumulating, right? So they're buying here, they're selling here, they're buying here, they're selling here, they're buying, they're selling, they're buying. And what this lets them do is literally outperform the market. Because if they bought here, they made 74%, right? Then they sold off, they made another 40%. Then they bought, they made another 56%. They sold, they made another 30%. Then they bought, and that's where they pumped it for 100%. And then look at this beautiful to the dollar retest of resistance turned into support. So it doesn't actually look manipulated. It just looks beautiful. That looks also to me like a typical golden pocket retest. Look at that golden pocket. Smashed. Sui rally. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting into it even though it's overpumped. I sold tier at $80. What? At $80? What do you mean? You sold $80 worth of tier? Or did it go up to $80? I'm confused. I don't think it's ever been up to $80. You sold $80 of TIA. GG's, spot alpha, let's go. Alright, so Amana's in TIA, let's go. Oh, you said TIA to $80. You see, I'm losing my mind. I've been streaming for almost 3 hours. Alright, so WACO, when is it gonna hit $80, bro? And why? Tell me why TIA is gonna hit $80. But anyway, for me, I'm just gonna use the risk to reward ratio of the $20 all-time high right now. So if we enter now and we go up to just all-time high, which of course is not really our full take profit, and then we put our stop below the floor, we're looking at a 123.55, we're looking at 190. And let's just see what it has in store for us. What is TIA? Ginger upgrade to offer rapid finality and increased throughput. Doubling feature to double the data accessibility. Underscores Celestia's goal to advance decentralization and scalability. No max supply, so it can't get 5 stars. No unique things right now. It looks pretty much all unique. I'm gonna give it 3 stars, but I'm still gonna enter it. Okay, we're almost done. I promised I would do TRB. Promised I would do TRB. Why am I not seeing TRB? How can TRB not be on CoinMarketCap? Has it changed to Turbo? If you want TRB, tell me what is the ticker for TRB? Because I see it on Bybit, but then I don't see it on CoinMarketCap. This is at 1 cent. This is at $76. Why? So someone send me the link to the CoinMarketCap for TRB. Taylor. Is it Taylor? Okay, sweet. There we go. Thank you, Amana, helping us out. Taylor indeed. Beautiful stuff. Okay, so let's go. Wow, look at that pump. So we now have an all-time high of, wow, 265, 270. Yeah, and it looks like it's this chart on Bybit. Look at that wick. Okay, so if you see this wick, you must know that that's pump and dump, and that is manipulation. So we have to be extremely careful here. Of course, there might be room to make some money here, but we've got to like do minimum margin, very careful. That was almost a 9,000% ROI. I bought TRB at 104. It's over 6 months and we're still red. Oh, just be careful here. And of course, if you want to buy a coin like this, dollar cost averaging is your friend, right? And this actually looks to me to be super bullish right now, because just like I said before, sideways is good. Sideways price action is where whales accumulate, but you want to be using DCA because it's very hard to think like a whale. Yeah, and I must say, you just got to set the alerts here. According to risk to reward, we're looking pretty good, so I might enter this. Do they have a max supply? No, so they can't get 5 stars. No news. Be careful, no news. Decentralized Oracle, that's cool. Oracles are a key part of blockchain infrastructure that update valuable off-chain data. Taylor's Oracle works by incentivizing data reporters to put valid data on-chain while also disincentivizing bad reports. Okay, so I dig it, it's doing good things. Let's see, risk to reward, what is happening? 2 all-time high at the top of the wick. Stop loss below the current swing low floor. 1 to 12. So we could even put our stop loss below the total floor to get still a 1.7. Yeah, no, congrats. You've got diamond hands. You've got diamond hands. Like, just hold tight, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna give it. It's got a good risk to reward. I'm gonna give it 3 stars. Okay, 2 more, y'all. 2 more and we're done. We're doing giveaway. I just want to see the. I know about the chart on Myro. I just want to see the fundamentals on Myro, right? Before we finish off. And let me know, like, everyone's bullish on Myro, but why? Why are you so bullish? New Year Eve TRB will pump. Why? Interesting. Oh, we're getting to Theta. Theta's next, my bro. 3 stars because there's no max supply and there's manipulation. No one can dump it that much from retail. So a wick like that is manipulation on the daily. No one can dump a coin this much in one day other than the founders. Manipulation in the coin. Be careful. Okay, Myro risk to reward looking good. We're at 9 cents. We can go up to 42 cents to all-time high. Yeah, it's looking cool. These dogs annoy me because they bark so much. I've said it so many times, but it's looking cool. We're still in the DCA zone. And as I said, sideways is good. We saw the sideways market structure break into another sideways market structure. This is also looking like a whale accumulation phase. The last signal was beautiful. It was this bearish divergence which gave us 46% down to current price. This bullish divergence was gorgeous. It gave us 150%. So let's see if I have the Myro alert set. Not yet, but anyway, I'll actually enter into this on the blood strategy because it's giving us a really good risk to reward right now. Remember, stop loss needs to be below the floor, so it's a 1 to 5, about a 345% up. So Myro, I'm gonna give the 3 stars. There's no max supply. All right, last one. We've done well, y'all. Myro is overrated, but Husseini loves it. Myro the Solana dog. Oh, it's Solana creator's dog. Okay, cool. Cool. Myro boost my portfolio up. Interesting. Jokester, who are you? Do I know your name, or are you new to the community? TA on major? Okay, maybe we'll do one more, but I think we've done a lot. I'll keep it a note for next time. We've done a lot today, y'all. Almost 10K. Yeah, so on YouTube I've got 10K on the Crypto, but have a look at TikTok. TikTok is way better. I got 80K. 80K on my chat with Crypto. What a vibe, right? TikTok just rocks. Okay, y'all, we're doing theta. Then I need to run to the little girl's room, then we're doing giveaway. So please stick around. What's the ticker? Is it just theta? Oh, Lionium. Bro, bringing us the alpha. Oh, that is seriously dope, bro. Okay, everybody here, please do smash the like button. We're almost done. Please do smash the likes for me. We've had all-time high for likes. We've had all-time high for live viewers. If you are on Twitter, come to the YouTube. This is also your last opportunity to sign up under my link to be eligible for the live stream giveaway. Okay, so this is looking awesome. Oh, bro. What? Okay, Lionium, you are giving us the best alpha of the day right here. Look at this, $60 million traded in 24 hours. It's a $2.6 billion market cap on the tokenomics. The total supply 1 billion, the max supply 1 billion, the circulating supply 1 billion, which means they have minted all of the theta. How crazy is that? They've minted it all. which means that we are likely to see parabolic price action. AI sports chatbot, let's go. Top 5 blockchain properties. No. AI research with Oregon dystopia. Show me unique. Show me unique. Layer 1, decentralized infrastructure for video and AI entertainment use cases. Dual network consisting of 2 complementary subsystems. Web3 infrastructure enables media companies to drive incremental revenues, user engagement, new Web3 business models. This is deep. Tailored for the video media entertainment. This is super deep. Thank you, Lionium. This is awesome. Multifaceted approach to security, leveraging Byzantine fault tolerance. All right. Am I gonna give this 5 stars? Look at this risk to reward. All right, so what is all-time high? $14. So we don't have it on this chart, but let's just put a horizontal line at all-time high. And let's throw in the risk to reward ratio. We're almost done, y'all. Thank you for being here. I still see almost 100 live across the platforms. That is killer. Okay, so stop loss around 17 cents, which means minimum margin, minimum leverage. And then we're looking at a risk to reward of 1 to 4.2 and a 400% up to all-time high. So this one, I'm gonna give it, because it's already reached its max, right? I'm gonna give it 5 stars. Which means I will be entering it imminently on copy trading. And yeah, I'm about to run to the little girl's room. And then you will see me back here doing the giveaway. So of course you're welcome to hop off, but please try not to hop off because the giveaway is super imminent. Check out Hot Protocol, interesting. TRX. Did we not do TRX? No, we did TRX. Mr. Corsu, we did TRX. I gave it 5 stars. No, I gave it 4 stars because it has no max supply. Lionium, you're an OG. Yeah, this has definitely been our best stream. I don't like TikTok. Why? How can you not like TikTok? Please let me know why. I also feel that it's better in every way. Honestly, it's my favorite platform. Eve, I'm so glad you enjoyed it. Okay, so this is your last chance to sign up under my link. All right, y'all, give me 2 minutes. Please, I will be back. Two minutes. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm gonna run. Beautiful stuff. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Close your eyes for a bit. Okay, so remember, you need to be under my link. And just remember... yeah, get ready. So what I've learned from those who have been smashing the giveaways really nicely is if you are on mobile, You need to, once I pull up the giveaway, you need to screenshot the giveaway. Quickly go to your photos. And then in your photos, not hearing anything. Testing, testing. Please confirm if you can hear my voice. Testing. Is it only costly? Testing, testing, 1, 2. Audio is good, no stress. Okay, lovely. Thank you, Jess. So much appreciated. Okay, so it was actually Jess who told me that. Oh, someone just followed me on copy trading. Oh, that's beautiful. Let's find out who it is. Who just followed me on copy trading? What? Someone with an SHA. Who is with an SHA that just followed me on copy trading? Super, super cool. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Who's SHA? Alright, so you have to screenshot the photo. Then go to your photos and hold down on the QR code and it will take you to the link. If you are on PC and you have a mobile, then you just open your camera and then you scan the QR code. We just smashed 100 live across the platforms just in time for the giveaway. So if you are on Twitter, please come through to the YouTube. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you smash the likes for me. Let's go. Everybody who is here, please smash the likes right now. Smash the like button for me. Blaze can hear. Beautiful stuff. Everything's working. All right, so while I am quickly doing the giveaway, of course you have to be under my link. But while I'm doing the giveaway quickly, drop for me in the comments everybody's feedback on today's stream, right? It's been our first 3-hour stream. And every stream with y'all is my favorite stream. I love being here with my family. But please, right now, do me a favor. Smash the likes and drop your feedback. And if you really want to do me a big favor after the stream, please do come back to the stream and then drop for me a comment on the replay of the stream. Okay, so the phone people, when you see the QR code come up, you screenshot it, right? Then you go to your photos and you hold down on the QR code and it will bring up the link. And this is fastest fingers first. We did 50 likes, right? We didn't do 100 likes. At 100 likes, I would do $100. But we did 50 likes. So I'm going to do $50. And right now in the chat, you can all vote for me while I'm doing this. Do you want 10 winners for $5 or do you want 5 winners for $10? Oh, thank you, brother. Airmans, what's up, my G? Reaper, you're going places, bro. WACO, thank you for making it the best with your thumbnail. Thank you, brother. It's been awesome and interesting. Jokes there. I love it, bro. 10, 5, 5. Okay, so we have 2 for 5. We have 1 for 10. Could you send the link of the giveaway here in the chat? Maybe. Never thought of doing that. Okay, 3, 4, 5 for 5, 2 for 10, 6 for 5. I just followed you on copy trading. Let's go. All right, so I said that anyone who follows me on copy trading during the stream, I will give you a gift to add to your copy trading portfolio behind me. So, Findile Shabalala, please, on my YouTube channel, there is my email address. So please send me an email and I will send you a gift. Just setting up the giveaway. Okay, WACO says 10. So we've got 3 for 10. 4 for 10. We've got way more for 5. Most welcome, most welcome. So awesome to have you, Findile. Pindile, am I saying it right? Alright, Swas says 5. Yeesh! So y'all want the competition, that's what's up. Okay, I'm quickly doing it, I'm quickly doing it. Damn, y'all, it looks like we're doing 5. Looks like we're doing 5. 100 wins for 1 BTC. Oh, Blaze, you know what? One day, brother. When I'm trading 1 BTC trades. John Carter says 5. Yeah, it is more easy in the chat, but that's what I'm thinking, Waco, is that it's too easy, right? It's supposed to be a bit of a challenge. Okay, who agrees with Waco that we should put it in the chat? Or should we do the QR code? Creating it right now. Yeah, I think QR code is the OG way. Alright, Elena, no problem. Just make sure you are under my link when you follow my copy trading. Zeely campaign, are you for real? Okay, maybe. But Blaze, I've been wanting to contact you, bro. So I really want help from 4 AM to help me blow up my virality. So please, can we have a chat? I need to chat to your team. Yeah. QR. No chat. QR. Sorry, Waco. QR 5. McCall in the building. What's up? We are 100 live. Alright, so if you're just joining, I see YouTube is pumping, Twitter is pumping. Please smash for me the likes. Because right now I see more viewers than likes. We have 100 people watching and 62 likes on YouTube. So if you are here, just do me a favor. Come to YouTube, smash the like button for us. And of course, join my Trading Academy. So before I drop the giveaway, I'm just going to quickly drop my Trading Academy link. This is the most important link that you can take away because this is where I drop all of my alpha. Yeah, we hit a new record today on everything, bro. Everything. Yeah, Waco, I'm sorry, bro. You were outvoted. Okay, let's go. Almost there. Boom. I've got it. Got it, y'all. I used the link to open it through the app. Yeah, no, it should be fine. Otherwise, we'll sort you. But it's awesome that you followed me on copy trading. That's amazing. Okay, we're almost there. I just need to bring up the image. So right now, is everybody ready? It's been... In 40 seconds, it'll be a 3-hour stream. That is deep. That is deep, y'all. Please smash the likes for me. We are absolutely cruising today. All right, are you ready? Almost there. I'm about to bring it up. And soon you're gonna see me walking. Okay, y'all, I'm ready. I'm ready. Is everybody ready? Drop me a ready in the chat if you're ready. We're gonna end off the stream. She says, wait. 3%. I don't see the email address. Yeah, no, it's on my YouTube. Did we break 600 followers? Oh, let's go. Oh, we just broke another milestone. Thank you everybody for the support. So here you will find my email address. Right here. But I'll drop it in the chat as well. Thank you everybody. We have smashed my next milestone of 600. That's what's up. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Okay, is everybody ready now? Okay, ready now. Let's go. Oh, Dennis hopping on. What's up, my G? Just in time for the giveaway. So, Dennis, are you ready? Are you ready for the giveaway? Let's go. Okay, I'm bringing it up now, y'all. I'm bringing it up now. All right, there it is. So try to screenshot it. Then go to your photos. Hold the QR code. If you're on computer, open up your camera, scan it. And let's see who's winning here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, 5 of 5 done in the first minute. I see Blaze, I see Husseini, I see Jess, I see Emperor Skitty, and I see Amana. Congratulations. So in the chat, if you won, just say I won. Just say I won so I can see. But there we go. Blaze. Oh, you can't see my phone. It's blocking it out. But there we go. I see Blaze, Husseini, Jess. Oh, second win in a row for Jess. She's an OG. Emperor Skitty and Amana. Well done, everybody. Thank you for the stream. It has been absolutely awesome. Definitely my favorite stream yet. And you know what? With y'all, every stream is my favorite stream. All right, thank you for being here. I'm gonna end it off nice and swift. Please, after the stream is done, come back to the stream, do me the favor and drop a comment. Let's push the algorithm further. And please remember, always play from a position of power and strength. Use your stop loss and do not get wrecked. Please use the link in my bio to join my trading academy. I will be opening a discussion group shortly linked to the academy, so it will no longer just be a channel. We'll be able to also chat. And again, I just want to say thank you for everyone who's been here. Dennis, oh, lovely stuff. You're all something else. Jesus is Lord. Let's go. Time to touch grass, indeed. Skitty first time. That was literally, it was like a few seconds. That was hot. Too fast for my phone. Winner chicken dinner. So Blaze, are you gonna turn that into $100 today, my bro? All right, thank you so much everybody for being here. I will see you in my chat group. I'll see you in my Discord. So much love and respect to each and every one of you. Goodbye.